Yo, good morning.
Yo, good morning.
How are you all
How are you
doing? As promised, Jaws is here on the stream.
He is. He made it. He woke up in time.
Yeah, I know. As crazy. Promised, Jaws.
Let's get it, though. Was this wicked early to be up? Yeah, it is, dog. Okay, my stream just caught up and loaded.
Yeah, mine always takes a second as well. Yeah, we got Yuri, Zach, Taki, Jan, Silver. Silver, you're up early as well. Luke. I swear Luke was ripping your whole stream last night as well.
Yeah, he was. What up, man? How are you?
Must be shattered. Everyone's tired.
Yo, Zach of all trades. How are you, man? How's it going?
Yeah, I went hard last night, he says.
Yeah, you did.
Oh my word.
Oh yeah.
How was your stream yesterday?
I mean, the stream was fine. My trading was abysmal. The stream was fine though. I feel like we had a decent time. You know, did the usuals. KHG. I rage quit KHG actually. I got to like the last shot and I just couldn't do it, so I just quit.
Oh, did you do Yuri's hole yet?
I have not. The Savage House or Ferocious House, the second one, I'm not doing it. Just straight up, I'm not trying it.
I was like passively doing it throughout my entire stream, and he was like giving me cheat codes in the chat.
Yeah, dude. I saw people put up like 270, 700 or whatever. I'm not doing that. No, thank you.
Yeah, I think I got 320 in the end. It was just not good, and that was with cheats.
That's brutal.
Not fun. Well, it was fun actually. I lie. Botan, you're here as well. Morning. Devin, Kevin.
Devin and Kevin.
Devin and Kevin. Mike. Artelis, always here. Right. Yesterday I didn't do any trading during the New York session.
None.
I called it.
What else
No,
were you
I didn't.
doing?
Well, I hit the maximum profit for the consistency in the Tradeify, and then I passed an Apex eval, and I had one more account that had like nothing left in it, and I thought, can't really be asked now. So I just chilled. So
are you trading eval or funded right now?
I am finishing off the Tradeify eval hopefully today.
Gotcha.
That's got about
got it.
300 left to go.
Nice.
Then I'll probably switch over to. I thought I could activate it immediately, but I think Tradeify with Rhythmic it takes till the end of the day. Unfortunately.
Maybe.
Yeah.
I think it makes sense. Like the overnight update they pull.
Yeah, exactly. So I'll probably just switch over to the Apex after that, or I'll just lose loads of money on the Tradeify, either or.
Oh, yeah. I mean, if you want to lose money, I'll just follow my trades, man.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah. Chat, don't do that. It's a joke.
Oh, funny. What sort of trading do you do then? What do you look out for?
I look out for, and I can actually kind of use your chart for this.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, so I look out, I have view up on my chart, and then I also have the standard deviations. I'm assuming because you have TPH, if you go to your range chart,
yeah,
it's basically the same thing where you've got the +2, -2. You have the other ones too, but I've got +2, -2 marked out on mine because that's where I'm interested in like the extension kind of happening. It's like a larger move away from view app.
Yeah.
And then volume profile to see where low volume and high volume is, and then trade accordingly.
Nice.
That being said, chat, if y'all were, I mean, Luke knows, he was in stream last night. Chat, I got worked last night. The update on the trade that I took as stream was ending that I rolled over to today is that you already know it stopped out. We see where it stopped out. How long was I in that trade for? Oh, not that long. It like stopped out right after the stream, like 10 minutes after. Okay, never mind.
What was the trade?
Dude, I took like 3. Is it 3? 1, 2, 3. I think 4. It's somewhere in there. I took like 4 longs on the way down from below 150 into like 60.
Oh, really?
It got stopped out on all of them.
To be fair, yesterday's IB at 90, that was looking like it wanted to bounce. Really looked like it wanted to bounce. I would have probably long that at some point. I find yesterday's like
990?
29090.
29090. Ah, yes. Okay. Yeah, that's like roughly where I was getting long.
Yeah. I would have long that. Yesterday's IB levels always seem to play really well during London. Don't know how they do during Globex, but 29.90.
I don't really look at them, but I can definitely start looking at that. Like, I haven't tracked that.
Well, I didn't actually realize they were significant, but the way TPH works is it just leaves them printed until the next one forms.
Right.
And then I often see price just hovering around it, so it works. It somehow works better than the New York session does, but
Yeah, I mean, we got yesterday's like overnight high as of right now is like what, a point underneath or something on MNQ for IBH, prior day's IBH. And then I don't know if it actually swept that on NQ charts.
it didn't.
Huh.
It basically went to the tick, actually. Yeah, let's have a look.
You might be onto something here, man.
Oh, it was about a point below it,
Yeah.
and then just
Right.
sailed.
You might have cooked.
Yeah. Well, I took 2 trades off of yesterday, and they worked really well.
Nice, dude. I'm very excited down the line to trade like New York and just like regular session again.
Yeah.
Very excited. Globex is like nice, but it's very slow, like very slow.
Well, Matt
Like
wants
the
to bring us
first-
all into his stream at some point. That'd be interesting to see.
All of us together, or like one at a time?
I think one at a time. That would be too hectic.
All of us together would be wild.
We'd steal the show, man.
Yeah, that could actually be hilarious though. I don't know if he'd want to do that, but that'd be funny.
He was talking about the idea of potentially putting us all in one room, like in real life.
That's so funny.
Yeah. I'd 100% walk up behind someone and just press the flatten button.
I'm sending the stream in the Discord right now. Chat, if you're not on the Discord, bottom right of the channel, the screen. Sorry, I can't talk. The corner of the screen, tbm.gg/discord. You should click that link. Put that in your browser.
Absolutely. It's worth joining. Lots of people in there. Matt was talking yesterday about starting trading buddies as well. So you can have like accountability partners in there. That'd be really good.
Maybe as like a separate channel.
Yeah, I
I
think...
don't like hear anything that y'all like talk about during the day, unfortunately. I have to like get this all secondhand.
Oh, you've got to move full time, man.
I know.
In the works, yeah?
It is in the works, it is. Might be burning the boats today, actually.
Ooh. That's always a fun conversation to have. This is when
What's up?
peeked into rear stream. Bunch of goonies there. Every morning, man. Every morning.
Yeah.
Oh. Chan asked if I bought a lottery ticket after yesterday. Yeah, I was getting so lucky.
Yeah.
I don't know if you ever saw any of it, but towards the end, there was one trade I was in. I was like, basically, I think I was slightly red on it. And then I just sort of looked away for a second and then looked back, and Fred had just insta-TP'd me down 40 points. I was like, right.
What's it like, man? What's it like?
Oh, it feels good, but you just know your luck's going to run out. I'm waiting for the day when I get slipped for 40 points.
Jesus.
I was just lucky I was in the right side of that.
Yeah, that's true. That is fair.
We'll see. I agree, Tack. Watch out. Jamie Jaws is trying to steal some of your mojo. No, man. He's got his own mojo. I don't know how he trades doing a Globex. I can't do it. Really can't do it.
Yeah, wait, what mojo? What, because we're on a stream together?
Yeah.
Are y'all bugging out over that?
Found a new breakfast of champions. Peanut butter, granola, and maple syrup on waffles. Oh.
Banger.
Yeah. I can't eat anything that heavy in the mornings.
I was just about to ask, are you like a breakfast eater, breakfast person, or no? Because I'm
No,
not at all.
I can't have
hate
to like
eating in the
force it in me. It's just never goes down well.
morning. Yeah.
Like,
If I wait until like I just drink coffee in the morning and then wait until like 12,
yeah.
like midday roughly, and then eat lunch, like totally fine, works great. If I try to like eat in the morning and force something, I'm just like flat out getting nauseous.
100%. It's just like, especially something heavy. But I do like breakfast food. I just put it off until later. An English fry up.
Breakfast for dinner is awesome.
Oh, yeah. I'm quite keen on shorts somewhere around here, to be fair. I want to see more of a pullback.
Continued move away from VWAP, you're saying, like retest 29.80 and then short?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. The problem is the stop loss is less defined. Like if I put it on, like is that a wise stop? Targeting somewhere like 29.20, or it's tricky because on the 1 minute, that would be considered a bid, but on the 5 minute, that looks solid. We'll have to wait and see.
Sure.
Becky agrees, just coffee for me. I find coffee, it also suppresses your appetite really early in the morning, so...
Yeah. Caffeine does that for sure. I just drew a fib just in honor of our hero Sweaty.
Sweaty?
Got...
Is that how... Oh god, is that how it's spelled? I've always been calling him Sweetie.
Yeah, like Sweaty. I can't say it on stream what the original name was, but yes, Sweaty.
Oh really? Oh, you got to send me that afterwards. Up 450 so far from the Asian session.
I can probably type it in the chat. That was his original name, and they changed it to just Sweaty.
That's funny. Yeah, I'm not surprised.
I'm gonna redact that one.
Isn't he a chat mod now? Was that? Oh, that's Lambra.
That's Lambra, yeah. Which
Can't believe
Lambra's
he
a
got
great
that.
choice for. I mean, Lambra's been around for forever.
He has, yeah. He basically carries the trading platform help channel as well.
He does. He is the Sierra chart expert.
Yeah. Honestly. Oh, this is really slow. News. We do actually get quite a bit of news during London session sometimes, especially
yeah,
recently.
Pay attention to that.
So we've got Thermo Fisher Q2 earnings. We've also got Lockheed Martin, which Matt was talking about yesterday. Earnings. RTX. Don't know who the hell they are.
I think Raytheon.
Oh, are they? Oh, okay.
I think. It's like a. No, never mind. No, it's just RTX Corp. Never mind. I don't know what I'm talking about.
Oh, is it?
Just
the same thing.
disregard. Yeah, whatever RTX Corp is.
American Airlines, T-Mobile, and then we've also got ECB interest rates, deposit rate, and everything, and then jobless claims. So pretty hectic today.
Cool.
Avoid. That'd be your time. 8:30.
Yeah. So I am. I'm probably gonna head out like 8:15 my time, so
Yeah,
2
nice
hours from now, if that's cool.
That sounds good.
Just because I'm gonna have to get ready for the
Yeah.
J word.
The rat race.
Yes, exactly that. Yeah, dude.
We'll try and get some good things in.
Chat, y'all might. If anyone here is in stream right now and is gonna be in my stream later tonight, I might be in shambles tonight.
I have to return the
I
favor
might
and
be in
join yours.
shambles.
That's like if I stay on yours for 2 hours, I leave it at 1 a.m.
Yeah, I mean, you're welcome to hang out till 4, whatever your time is.
Shall I?
there.
Yeah.
I mean, no.
I'll join my stream in the morning.
Yeah, just straight up destroyed.
It's funny. Is today's not the day that Matt's got that guest on? Tomorrow. That'd be interesting to see.
I think. I mean, double check, but I think it's tomorrow. I think he was doing a Friday event for it.
Oh, Czar Trader. Raytheon is military as well, RTX. Okay. Plus, we had Google, Tesla, ServiceCon, and IBM yesterday. Yeah, we did. Oh, Zach. Jamie, remember how yesterday it was 60 Fahrenheit here? Well, today it's 50 Fahrenheit, and just south of here it's 38 Fahrenheit. Feels like fall. Damn, that's the middle of summer as well. Where were you at, Zach?
Yeah, where are you?
Yesterday, Zach was trying to get me to trade lean hogs, which is basically
sick.
pig futures. Just
Yeah.
didn't even know you could.
Yeah, throw that on some live cattle, ZE, whatever the.
There's a storm in Brazil. Short coffee or long coffee.
Nice. There was way back. There was like a contest going on a different prop firm. I'm not going to mention who, but if you know, you know. There was a contest going on for the first person to get funded and take a payout by trading live cattle. The owner of the prop firm was going to send them a custom cowboy hat. Like a nice one too, like a Stetson cowboy hat.
It must be so tricky to trade because it's literally just news driven.
News driven, and it's also only open for like be RTH. Like, it doesn't have a Globex. It's just RTH.
Yeah, that must be impossible. So much overnight news, so some weird thing comes out from a convention, it's gap. Like 20%.
Yeah, these are like $200 cowboy hats. It's crazy.
They can be expensive, actually.
That's what I'm learning.
Yeah.
Live on stream.
Close to Lake Erie. Where's Lake Erie? I'm also saying that right.
Oh, are you Zach? Are you like on Lake Erie? Like you're getting like, so for winters, I mean, if it's that cold in the summer, for winters, are you getting like 20 feet of snow because of the whole like Great Lakes like system? I forget what it's called, like the weather system that's there because of the lakes.
It says Western New York. That's like.
But if he's by the lakes, I think so. Like that place gets cold, dude.
Does it?
Yeah. One of my best friends went to a school in upstate New York, like in the Finger Lakes region. Which, let me just pull up a map so I'm not like completely talking out of my, you know what?
I'll put it up on mine as well.
Yeah. Yeah,
So
directly there. So like Finger Lakes. Do you have a map up?
I do.
right now?
Like by Buffalo.
Oh,
That's.
I don't know if that's where. I mean, I'm assuming that's where Zach is because that's by Lake Erie. My friend went to school in those. You see those like little lakes that kind of look like these thin little fingers?
What, a smaller one?
It's like to the right of Buffalo.
Oh, to the right of Buffalo.
Mhm.
Oh, these things. Seneca Lake,
I can't.
Cayuga Lake.
Yes. Yep. Yeah, those areas.
I do like.
So that's where my friend went. But that whole area of New York gets freezing, dude. Like brutally, brutally cold.
That's.
Because of all the, I don't know what it is, like the humidity or like it's just the weather system because of the lakes.
I think I saw something a while ago. It was like you get the weather stream coming down from the north, hitting New York area, so it can get really cold, just like that.
Yeah.
I don't know why it's
upstate New
specific
York
there.
is like, upstate New York is like 10 feet of snow and you're out there, you know, warming up your truck when it's like -20 outside. It's like that kind of.
Why is
that
it
kind
such
of,
a prestigious place then? That would be. Because it's really spenny to live there, isn't it?
I don't know. I've never. It's a lot of farms up there, from what I know. Like a ton
Oh,
of
is it?
farms. Yeah, there's like good schools up there, like small liberal arts schools that are kind of like tucked away. Yeah, that's crazy, Zach. I didn't know you lived up there. That's dope. That's what it's called, the lake effect.
Is it?
6 feet of snow in 4 days. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Like, it's outrageous.
6 feet of snow in 4 days. That's bonkers. I don't think I've ever seen more than like 12 inches in Britain.
How often do you guys get snow?
Not very. We didn't get any this year. Like, it doesn't. Our weather's too erratic. Like, it will snow, and then by the end of the day, it'll be melted. Like,
Yeah.
because it'll be freezing in the morning, then warmer in the afternoon, and then it'll be even colder overnight, but then everything will just freeze. It's
Gotcha.
like nothing is the same.
Yeah,
Like,
sticks.
you cannot hang out your washing or your laundry outside because no matter what the weather forecast says, it will get wet.
Okay.
It just does. Same in Denmark, yeah. Jan. It's brutal. I think it's just because there's so much water around us. It's like, and the Gulf Stream that hits us.
Yeah, y'all have like a conglomeration of weather events happening there.
Whereabouts are you? Are you southeastern coast?
I'm in Connecticut. Do you know where Connecticut is?
I'm about to.
Okay. Like just to the right of New York. It's basically like a highway state is what a lot of people call it. Like Connecticut and Rhode Island, they call it just like a highway. I mean, it's a nice place to live. Like, don't get me wrong. There's just nothing. There's no like big attraction / draws to Connecticut other than that it's a nice place to live, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
The
Quite a
old
big place,
I-95,
actually.
yeah, man. The I-95 is the bane of my existence.
Is it? Do you live? Can you hear it from where you are?
No, I'm further away from it, but like it's traffic, just traffic after miles of traffic.
Oh my god. Because you're such a car-driven country, aren't you? You don't have much in the way of
Yeah.
sort of public transport. In the
Yeah,
US.
it's mostly cars,
Yeah, that's
especially here.
bonkers.
So everything's kind of like spread out just enough to where like you can't really walk it. If you really wanted to, you could bike it, I guess. But you know, then you have a bike and you're all sweaty. So it's
That's weird.
cars, not a lot of bus service.
In Britain, you can very comfortably go your whole life without having a driver's license.
The whole, like you can get around the whole country.
Pretty much, yeah. I mean, literally
That's
anywhere. Some
cool.
places you have to sort of take the scenic route, but
Yeah.
yeah, I could go from here to Scotland, back down to Cornwall, into some of the most remote places, and there will be a train and a bus that connects it.
Pretty cool.
Yeah. Not that people use it, but apart from the elderly.
Yeah, but the fact that it is the infrastructure is there to do it is cool.
I think it's just because your country's so big, the amount of investment that must cost to get like a reliable train network everywhere.
It's so doable, man. It's so doable. I mean, if you ride a balaclava and ride an e-bike,
I just read the same thing.
that's hilarious. It's more so like a problem of honestly of like government and just like how the country developed. Because like Henry Ford invented the car, right? And then
Yeah.
the modern version of the car with the assembly line and all that. And there was never like that was such a big business that there's never really an incentive in this country to move away from that, if that makes sense. So it's not like we can't build stuff. Obviously we can, but there was just never a big enough incentive money wise to do
Yeah.
so. There was more incentive to keep building cars.
And your fuel's a lot cheaper than ours.
How
Like,
expensive is gas there?
Like, I did this conversion a while ago, because right now, my nearest petrol station is about £1.55 per litre.
So we got to go from liters to dollars
To
liters
US.
to gallons, and then
Yeah,
pounds to
exactly. So
dollars.
let's ask Google AI. That is the equivalent
Yes.
of
It's a faster.
$7.80 a gallon.
Oh yeah, that's rough. And that's
Yeah.
for. Do you have like? Do you guys differentiate like premium versus like regular, or is it just all the same?
Yeah, premium's about £1.90, so let's do £1.90 per litre. That's on Google AI. That's $9.60 a gallon. Premium.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Damn.
We've got such a steep fuel tax here. And diesel is, if you have a diesel car, that's like, whew, not affordable anymore.
Damn. Yeah, that's brutal, dude. I mean, I'm over here complaining over like I pay like $4.80 right now.
Oh,
Although
luxury.
It might be like $5.40 after the most recent shenanigans is what I'm gonna call it. I didn't remember. I didn't check the gas station, but that's brutal, bro. Twice as much. I remember the prices in Portugal. I did the conversion in Portugal were like roughly the same.
Yeah, it's a European
like
thing, I think. It's
Yeah,
it's
around like
because
10.
it's because of how much public transport we have. They tax the hell out of fuel, and they sort of try and make it into a luxury thing, having a car.
Got it.
It doesn't work because everyone can still afford it. It's just
Yeah.
irritating because it's more expensive.
So now the government's just making a boatload of money off fuel tax.
Oh yeah, I actually saw in the British government they've got this horrendous beer tax. So every pub, like you order a pint, it's like £7 for a pint, which is like $8 or something.
Jeez,
And
man.
and the pub probably pays like £1.50 for that, and then the rest of it is tax and then a little bit of profit on top as well. So they earn more off the beer tax than they do like petrol tax and a lot of VAT as well,
That's crazy, man.
just because of how much we drink as well.
Big island of drinkers.
Yeah, oh my days. Yeah, we have a bit of an uncomfortable drinking culture. There's like every day of the week in London, it's like, oh, it's Thirsty Thursdays. It's a Friday, you have to drink. Wednesdays, it's halfway through the week. Let's do it. And it's like, it's like an office culture. Like my mate works in the head office of like a tech retailer here,
Yeah.
Curry's, if you're from Britain. And
I've heard of that, but I don't know what it is.
it's like our version of Best Buy, I think.
Okay.
And he frequently they'll have brand meetings, and they'll just do it over a beer, Lunchtime beer.
Dude, that's the way to be.
Yeah. It's pretty good until you count up how much you've drunk in a week, and it's like you go to your doctor. How much do you drink in a week? 14 units a day. We'll take.
Yeah, it's a lot of extra calories too. I'm looking at Curry's website right now. What should I buy? They have a ton of Galaxy, like Samsung stuff. Do you guys have what? So what's like the split in the UK between like Apple and like non-Apple, like Samsung, or I don't know. If you guys have like Chinese models like Huawei.
We have them, but I think the most popular is always Apple. Still.
It is? Okay.
Yeah. You still get a lot of people who like sort of stick. I think it's kind of the same. To be honest with you, you have these people who are like, oh, Android's better.
Yeah.
And
the diehards, yeah.
it's like, yeah, okay, I can swipe everywhere. You can't.
Yeah, that's my coworker, dude. She's like insisting that Samsung or whatever or Android is better. It's not even, she doesn't have Samsung. I forget what she has, but she's like insisting, I think like a Google Pixel. She's like insisting it's better. And I'm like, are you sure?
Yeah, I don't get it. I mean, they're nice, but you know, they're not easier to use. They might be better on paper, but Apple's just, if you've got a mate who's got an iPhone, it's just like, oh, let me just send you something. It's just so easy.
That, or if you have like other Apple products, like the ecosystem, bro, it has me in a chokehold.
Oh God, yeah. I if I leave Apple, there's a very realistic chance that I might go bankrupt. Yeah.
Yeah, just have to get new everything.
Yeah.
Like the fact that I can copy something, like if you sent me a text, I can copy that on my phone and then just press paste on my laptop and it pastes it is awesome.
Oh, that's mad. Yeah. Remember, I on my Mac, if I'm working on something on there on Safari, I think, oh, I've got to go, and I get in the car and I open up Safari. It's like, would you like to continue? Yes, I would actually. Yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome. Like it's great design from them.
It is. People are going to think we're sponsored now.
We front ran, whatever the term is. I had like the 50% fib from the lows at 29.030, and we are currently front ranning that.
Front running.
I would have liked to see ideally like 29K.
My kind of principle is if we front run a level like that, and sort of chop first and then bid up, that it tends to mean we're going to shoot through it.
Like so back through the level?
Yeah. It happens so often because it's like the same principle where if your trade gets missed by a few points, you take it off because, you know, chances are next time we go down there, we're going to shoot through it.
Right.
Same idea. So I'd like to trade through it. So maybe a short of 70 or 80.
Do you trade similar to Matt then, where you look for like smaller like base hit trades?
No, not really. I mean, I'm not opposed to them. But I target bigger moves like 40 to 60 points on average, maybe probably 30 to 60 points, and then I just flatten it early if it's not looking like it's got legs.
Gotcha.
And that can be a base hit, but no, I'm more than open to giving my trades the room.
Cool.
He says I trade similar to him, but it's a similar sort of system, I reckon. But I think it's more the similarities are mostly the fact that it's on the same chart, same kind of principles, same levels.
Gotcha.
Silver, as a certified old fart, that is intrusive to me. Oh dear, I'm sorry. Really do hate UK insurance on older cars. Oh yeah, insurance here. Is insurance here in America just as bad? Like,
what's your definition of bad? Like, what's making it bad?
Like in this country, on an older car, say you've got a car from the early 2000s, the car's worth like, you know, 5,000. You probably pay about, depending on you as well, maybe 800 to 1,000 a year on insurance.
That's it?
That's it? Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, fair.
Dude, insurance in the States is... There's a reason the insurance lobby has a lot of lawyers. That's all I'm going to say.
It's a legal requirement there as well, isn't it?
In my state, it is. Like for car insurance, yes. Oh, it's pounds, not dollars. Hold on, what'd you say, 800 a year?
800 to 1,000, yeah. So that's like 1,000 to 1,200.
1,000 to 1,200. Yeah, that's like that's pretty in line, I think, with what yeah, that's pretty in line.
Yeah. There.
Yeah, T-Trader's paying $750 a month. Yeah, that's what I was expecting, man. Like insurance here is big business, unfortunately.
$750 a month.
Depends what car you have.
What? Yeah.
Like,
What is the car?
Yeah, T-Trader. Like, what are you driving? Is this some like European import? Is this like a 2025 BMW?
Because that's not a Honda.
It's not the Honda Easy.
If I wanted to continue, I would have asked. Don't need my devices telling me what to do. Sylvie, you are a certified old fart. Programming roles.
Like so in my state, it is it's mandatory. Like you have to have car insurance, otherwise the DMV, like Department of Motor Vehicles, will yank your registration. In other states, I know it's not like that, and you can drive unregistered, which then has its own issues because then it's like if you hit someone, I mean, you're completely screwed. And then if someone hits you, you have to pray they have insurance. So it's definitely in your best interest to get insurance. But I do think it's a strange system where you're like required to have insurance, but there's no public insurance, if that makes sense. Like you're required to have a private insurance, which is what I was talking about with the whole like lobby part of that.
Yeah.
So that's a real political W when you can get it written into law that people must buy your product.
Yeah,
Legally,
that
they're required
seems
to.
like such a conflict of interest.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Okay, that was a
Kind of
big push.
depends
That
where
was
you are,
Lockheed
though.
Martin. We're approaching yesterday's IBL here. It's IBL, isn't it? Yeah.
Scolex, you have an F-150 Volkswagen and motorcycle, you pay $450 a month total.
Just for insurance. That's bonkers.
I mean, yeah, there's also like different tiers though.
I think your average income's quite a bit higher than the Britain average income though as well.
Maybe.
So you do have a lot more expenses, but
Jamie, I'm gonna tell you right now, it doesn't feel like it.
does it not? Well, our average income in this country is £30,000 a year,
Okay.
I think. I don't know what it is over there. But yeah, you've got so many more things you have to pay for. Like, we have free healthcare.
Mm-hmm. Doesn't you know Hector in the chat?
Yeah.
In, like the Discord, he's going through like it's nothing serious. It's solely on him. He's going through like the national healthcare right now as well to get something, to get a prescription, and he's saying it's gonna take like 4 months. Is that like usual? Like that it takes incredibly long for anything?
Yeah, pretty much. Unfortunately. I'm taking a stab short here at 90. Very tight stop though, because I don't know where to put my risk. I might widen it. I don't know yet. Like, what would that be like? That's 275.
Artelius,
Actually,
that's quick. Damn.
Yeah, to be fair, it is kind of messed up because it's underfunded.
Mm-hmm. Well, where's all the beer money going to?
Yeah, exactly. It's because we have a problem here with state pension. We give out state pensions to basically everyone who's worked a long career, and just sadly, it's stupid. I should be risking to the highs there.
To wait 2 years to have a surgery in Europe, so I went to private. Damn, that is crazy.
Yeah, it depends on how serious they classify it as, you know.
Okay, that makes sense. There. You're short from 90, you said?
I was, yeah. I didn't know where to put my stop, and I think I overmanaged it because I was going to put it at 104, give or take, but I put it just at the little high there, and I got stopped. So wait and see if I can. I'm open to getting back into it though. I like to just look at the 22 range and just, you know, literally micro highs and lows, like a micro trend, and if we break that, then that's my kind of signal if it's a level I'm interested in.
Okay, Matt. I'm playing. I wish we'd actually traded into like the 50% or whatever.
We probably should. Artemis is long. Right, everyone short it now.
We're just chilling around view out. What time during your session does the market really start to, you know, get moving? Is there like a specific time stuff picks up? Is it like 8:30 when news hits?
That sends market into the stratosphere often, yeah. But to be honest, it's pretty much consistent, other than short little waves at like every hour. So every top of the hour we get a burst of volume.
Gotcha.
Are we catching sellers? I think we are, actually. I'm keen on taking this if we get it.
Oh man,
A little
slinging today, huh?
Yeah.
Or do you normally fire them off like that?
I mean, it's the same trade idea. I don't fire off different trade ideas back to back that quickly. It's more.
Okay.
This is the exact same
Multiple
trade
attempts.
I took. It's just
Got it.
putting my
attempts
risk in the
same
right
thing.
place. Yeah. I didn't take it just yet because I want to see us do a proper break below 90. I don't want to see us bid off of it. Yeah, it looks like
limit buy at 29.035 was missed by a point. Sad. Yeah, very.
Oh, really? That's rough.
F in the chat. I feel you.
Yeah. I think I started my stream off yesterday with 3 trades missed by less than 3 points.
That is brutal.
Couldn't catch a break.
I would really like us to trade lower.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to trade into. I need to see more conviction to the sell side. It's just not.
Yeah. Like, give me a fill at like 29k. Be ideal.
Yeah, I want to trade 29.90 down into that kind of level. Take it slow. Give it plenty of risk, but
I have got some work to do this weekend on my charts, dog.
why? What's it?
I want to. You can't see my charts. I just have like a 15-second chart up, and with like whiteout candles, I want to I don't know if you've seen like in Discord if Mantis or Gary has ever posted a volume spike. I have the code to make that. I just need to have the time to like actually make the indicator. But basically, it's like whenever there's an abnormally large volume 15-second candle, it just highlights it basically, so you know where it is.
Oh, really?
And it's such like a simple but powerful indicator. You definitely have it as part of TPH too. You 100% have it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's called.
Where's
volume
Gary
spike.
gatekeeping it then?
I don't know, but I'm positive you have it. Just I don't know if you guys. I don't know how it's organized for you. If it's called like a library or something, or you just like go through an ad. But it's called volume spike.
Maybe. What would he have put it on? 22 range, probably. No, that wouldn't make any sense. 'Cause you can't.
15-second chart.
We don't have a 15-second chart on here. I don't think I got one with it.
Oh,
I'll probably have one in.
and I don't know. I'm not a TPH expert, but I do know one. Hold on. See if Lambraw's awake. Oh, probably not. It's like 3 a.m. for him. Never mind.
He's always awake. What do you mean?
All right, I'll give it a shot. I'm not going to tag him, though, but if he's looking in trading chat, then he'll see this.
I'm not convinced that Lamb has ever actually slept.
He just doesn't sleep at all.
Yeah. God, we're stalled at VWAP here. I mean, we could catch bids. Just blind bids.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. I don't really know if I want to short a VWAP, truthfully.
No.
It kind of looks pumpy.
VWAP isn't as interesting when we keep on testing it in the overnight.
Right. Oh, wow. The dojis at the lows. I just threw up a 1-minute chart. Like, for me, it's 3:46 a.m. I don't know what time that is for you, but the lows, like 28 920s.
Yeah.
Easy peasy dojis down there. Get long Omega profit.
Yeah,
Love to see
100%.
it.
Problem with me is I'd have got shaken out on the chop that came just after that big green candle. I'd have done something stupid. Never trust myself. I do want to catch some sellers stepping in with conviction, get short at 90, risk to... Oh, that's quite a bit of risk, actually. That's about 25 points. It's quite a lot. Yo, morning, Brian.
Hey, what up, Tex?
Up bright and early as well.
Yeah, Ryan, you're up at 5:40 in the morning for you? Are you
Yeah.
going for a run? Oh, I just saw in VDO there's a little, it says on air. That's so cool.
Oh, does it?
Yeah,
That
on
is
mine,
cool.
this is on air, as in like it's being used. That's funny.
Love that. Yeah, this is what old people do, guys. What time do you go to sleep, Tex? Like 6?
Tough.
In an armchair. Newspaper in hand.
Yeah, fireplace ripping.
Yeah.
9:30.
9:30.
9:30. Damn.
That's crazy.
Wow,
Surely that's still light sometimes for you.
Yeah, Rockin'. They have a power trades. Yeah, you're correct. Similar. There are differences in how it's calculated, I think, but it's very similar. I have compared them before. But I think it's such like it's a great tool to have, truthfully.
Oh, fireplace, lol. It was 107 yesterday with 118 heat index. No fires.
Yeah, I was joking.
Air conditioning ripping then.
Or the ice bath. Just pull up,
Yeah.
hop in the cold plunge.
The thing is, if you have like a cold shower or a cold bath or something when it's really hot, you feel great for about half an hour. And then you're cooking again.
Mhm.
Doesn't last long. Only fires for the Stream Dream team. Woo!
The Dream Stream team, baby.
I think we're just going to continue. We're probably going to take out the highs here. Try and look for a long at the same level, maybe.
Potentially. As of right now, I'm still flat.
I'm down 160 so far.
Real quick, I'm gonna click something on my chart. I just need you to tell me, can you hear this? Ready? Did you hear anything?
No?
Okay. I didn't know if that was gonna come through my Discord side because it comes through, everything's wired through my microphone. So I don't know exactly what sounds like run through my mic, if it's just my voice or if it's everything I have on my like computer that you end up hearing.
I think it's
But
just the voice, because my headphones plug into, not my mic, but my audio interface,
Mhm.
where my mic plugs into. And I think it just outputs.
Okay.
I can do monitor as well, but if I turn on monitoring, then I end up talking quieter.
Yeah. I got you. I'm just curious because I have this like little order. If I like move an order, place an order, get an order filled, stopped out, all of that, it's like a little sound that plays. I didn't know if you could hear that or not. I didn't want it to be annoying for you.
Oh, did you just fire off a trade?
No trade. I just placed an order it was a test order fully. I'm not taking the trade at the 29040s to see if you could hear it. Wow, we retraced all that move from last night. Yeah, man, you called it. Prior day's low. I mean, you called it. I can't believe we did all of that pumping just straight up from 29065 to prior day's point of control, just to then run it all back and go to prior day's low. That is wild. What up, ICT? I can't believe we ran all of it back. Jamie, how long have you been trading?
About 2.5 years now.
Nice, dude.
Not nearly as long as, especially you, ICT.
That's pretty cool. I've been trading since March of 2022. Seemingly haven't learned very much, but it's okay. Love the game.
They're better than plenty of people I know. Some people blow like 3 accounts in a day. That's how they manage it.
Yeah. Have you seen the Discord recently?
What?
Did you see
Good games
the,
Discord?
Yeah, did you see the debacle yesterday?
No.
Oh, brother. I'm not gonna
Is it
out
father?
anyone. I'm not gonna okay, well, when you say it.
It's always
white
father.
on- yeah. Yeah, tough scene.
How many was it?
I don't know how many, but tough scene.
It's quite a common thing. I mean, he outs himself, to be fair.
That too. Well, self-reported.
Yeah. Self-burn.
Started trading July of 2021. Not as good as either of you guys. Zach, you've got me beat by a mile, I'm gonna tell you right now.
It's because you're spending too much time on the hog trades. been trading since COVID. Learned more about myself, not much about trading. Well, take that as a pro. Director funded and immediately promoted a customer.
Yeah.
Well, a good way to put it.
Oh, Ryan, I just saw you said no run today. So you just casually wake up at 5:40 in the morning for fun? Or is it just
Apparently.
because of the stream? Have we drawn you here?
We're just too good. We are actually rejecting here. And we failed to break that prior low.
Are you doing it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
105, please. A little bit of a data divergence, actually. I'm going to hold off for 1 second. I want to see us crack 90 first. I'm telling you, when you get old, you'll wake up early.
I mean, shout out for hopping in the stream. First thing you do when you wake up, throw the stream on fire.
Yeah.
That was me on Ria's first stream because I wanted just to see what happens, like, you know, what the stream looked like. So I woke up at like 5:30 to go to the gym, and I was just watching Ria's stream in the car. How old am I, Zach? I'm 25.
Come on, Tex. You're not that old, dude.
How old
No,
are you,
he's not that
Jamie?
old in numbers, but he shakes his fist at skateboarders. I'm 20. Oh, I've forgotten. I'm 23. How did I think of my own age for a
23, okay.
second?
Gotcha.
How old are you? What did you answer?
I'm 25, yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Relative
With the
to these
youngins.
youngsters.
Yeah. How old's Liam? Do you know?
I was just about to ask. I don't know. I think I want to say roughly my age as well, like 25.
Yeah.
Zach, you're 25 too.
Let's go.
Just got
Just got
24.
25 points from volume.
Same thing.
Higher the range.
All right, I will be right back. I'm gonna go get a coffee.
Yeah, nice one.
Can
Put a trade on. That always works quite nicely for me. Leaving it for a second.
What? Put the order on and then go get coffee?
I usually get filled first and then go.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Works a
Oh,
treat.
it's the Dow stream. Yeah, bro, we can pull up with the start at 4 a.m. because we all can't sleep. Wake up. Read the newspaper. Go to the McDonald's, read the newspaper with a
Smoke
hash brown. And look at the prior day's prices in the newspaper. Don't open a chart. And then call your broker and trade the Dow.
I would watch that. Get Lambo involved. He loves it.
Yeah, he does love the Dow, bro. I don't get it personally, but whatever. Maybe I should. Maybe I should give it a shot. I don't know. Anyways, I'll be right back.
Yeah, no worries. It's funny. I do want to do a live cattle stream as well. Maybe I should do it when Tex comes on. Sneak peek. Short from 29.15, trail stop now, 29.100. Doesn't mean you were stopped there. I'm tempted by the short here. It's just we broke above the prior day's IBL, kind of rejecting VWAP in a way that the prior open looks interesting, but the amount of room that it's got, I'm not keen on standing in front of this just yet. With confirmation, I would be. But in typical fashion, you need $300 to pass the account. Let's lose some money. The days when the smallest price unit of a stock was 25 cents. Nasdaq still uses that as increments. Oh, we need to have a birthday celebration for you on stream, Tex. Jan, you're 58. Blimey. I mean, do you live in Copenhagen? Good morning, the fat guy. Tex, I didn't say it was optional. Nice one. Good place to live. Are you originally American or? Where's your OG? Your OG home? Yo, good morning, Corey. Happy Thursday. Gonna head out, Zach. Yeah, nice one. GG's. You're 100% certified Danish, dude. Love that. Hey, lads, is football coming home? Banned. It is not coming home. We're waiting another 4 years to find out. Which I am very disappointed in. But we'll see. We're getting closer. Yeah, give it a rest. Do I like this? Nah, not really. At least the Argentinians didn't take it. Oh, this man knows. Big up the Spanish. Do you watch cricket? I went to one of the 100 matches in the round in London. That was my first experience of cricket. I think I saw exactly 20 minutes of playing the game, 30 minutes of standing around, and about 2 hours of closing the court because it started to drizzle. So, safe to say I won't be watching that again. God, it's so cold in my room that I don't have energy to hype chat. Here we get the heating on. There is an untested previous point of control at 29,240. Near where those sellers are in the books. I'm targeting that. 3 trades I have moved to break even, so let's see. Nice. What about rugby? I used to play rugby. I've never actually properly watched it. I should. I'm not patriotic enough. I know I probably don't look like I used to play rugby, but I promise I did. It was a long time ago, though. You're a rugby league guy. But it's still warm enough to beat Yarl in trading, up 25 today. 25 cents. GG's, Yuri. Kidding. GG's on the 25 points. Boring market. Yeah, this very moment, yeah. When you have birthday, mine is next Monday. Yours is next Monday. Well, we'll have to do something for that as well. Maybe giveaway. Oh, chat, I'm going to be doing a giveaway today. Hopefully with Joz here. I want to get 200 likes on the stream and then I'll do it. Try and do it before Joz goes. I believe in you.
Okay, I'm back.
Nice one.
Grabbed coffee, grabbed a hoodie because I got cold. Made the game time decision to go with warm coffee, not iced. Are you an iced coffee or a warm coffee guy?
Depends on the weather.
Yeah.
Like typically a warm coffee because it's just easier. It's like a pod machine. Just press a button and boom, you have a coffee. But
yep. What kind of pod do you use?
I think I got the Starbucks Nespresso ones.
Oh, but it's an espresso machine?
Yeah.
Good man. Very good man.
Yeah.
This is man of culture here.
Absolutely, yeah.
Nespresso over all of the rest, so I will die on that hill. Nespresso over Keurig, Nespresso over even like some of the nice like big homemade, not homemade, but like the big home like barista setup ones. It's like, if you really love the game of like making the coffee, sure, but like Nespresso.
Oh, it's such a faff though, isn't it?
Great taste.
Yeah, they're good. They're, you know, can't go wrong. And you're not an addict, yeah?
Coffee?
Mm.
Dude, I'm cooked. If I don't drink coffee before like 12 p.m. at some point any day, then I get a wicked headache.
Oh my god, I think Tex has got the sweaty one, the Breville Touch. Is that the one where you can press a button and you put beans in it and it produces anything you want? And it has milk in it as well. I swear they cost like $600.
Let's see. Okay, yeah, he's got one of the sweaty ones.
Yeah.
He does have one of the sweaty ones.
Looks like a bidding. No milk in this one, but it's nice. He's got Artemis has got a Turkish coffee maker. Love it.
Oh, Turkish coffee bangs, dude.
I had one for my barber a while ago. It was actually just a one-off barber, but he said, "Oh no, my friend, you'll have this. Very nice." And I remember it had about 100 mils of water in it, and then the rest was just powder, and I was like choking on it, and I was like, "Oh my god, this isn't what Turkish coffee is actually like, is it?"
No, I think it normally does have like the grounds and all that at the bottom, but you shouldn't be like you shouldn't feel them, you know? Like
It was
just
mostly
see 'em
grounds.
at the bottom. Okay, that's I don't know about that one.
Brutal.
That might have just been him.
Yeah. I mean, he didn't do a very good haircut either, so.
Oof. One time stop, didn't go back.
Yeah, I did not go back.
Got
It's a
it.
bit of a minefield getting a good haircut in the middle of London.
Dude, I mean, me too. My barber situation's so tough, man. He's there's this family in my town who has been cutting hair here for like generations. Like I'm talking like 2 or 3 generations back at this point now.
Ooh.
Like their grandfathers started their barber shop originally one town over, I think, and then they kind of all expanded, and they all the sons went into the business. So now there's like legit like 7 or 8 guys from the same family that each own barbershops or work out of like a shared barbershop and cut hair. But one of them, the guy I was going to, I've been going to this guy for years, ended up getting sick and had to kind of step away from cutting hair for a bit, and he still wasn't back. So one, I hope he gets better, because like he's one of the best people I've ever met. Like just one of those people that's like always happy, always like wants to know how you're doing, cares about you, like genuinely all-time guy.
Love
And
that.
then I've been going to his family's other barbershop, and they're awesome, but like they're not my boy, you know?
Not my boy. It's one of those things, if you're not loyal to your barber, you're not loyal to anyone.
Exactly. That's what it comes down to, is the
Yeah.
barber loyalty aspect.
Oh, 100%. Something special about walking into a barber shop and he just knows you by name.
Mm-hmm.
It
Got it
pays
for
itself back,
$1,200
really.
back in COVID.
Oh!
Yeah, that is a sweaty machine
1,200.
dog.
1,200 quid. A buck, solid. That's like...
Rank coffee making. Sage, Oracle, and Silver. What is that? Sage, Oracle, coffee machine. Oh, $2,000. Jeez.
$2,000, really?
That is a lot, bro.
Oh, that's too much risk.
Half the
I wanna
enjoyment
get
is in the
around here,
flow. Did you get filled on the short you're looking at?
No, I'm still trying to look at it. It's just I placed a stop loss, and I noticed it was 25 points. I'm just not really keen for that much risk.
Yeah.
I do like the trade, so I'm debating it still. Is it worth paying potentially $500?
Good way to think of it. That it's an expense. Are you willing to fork that over to be wrong?
Yeah, exactly. Especially given that I'm so close to passing this account, so my TP is only going to be $500 as well, so 1-to-1.
Yep. I know the struggle.
But it's also the same mindset. You can't change your trading style.
Yeah, you gotta execute the same.
So would I be taking it if I was targeting, 1,200 or something?
I can't really say I love anything here for me. I would really like to see lower, like between 29,030 to 29K would be my
Yeah.
ideal scenario, and then back up. Or just pump it real quick, wick out like these 170s, 180s, and then short from there. But like here, just sitting on volume, unless we get overextended, like above 140 or below 040, like extending the range, I don't want to just be like chopping in the middle, you know?
Well, I'm keen on if we crack 90 and then retest sort of 95, that would be interesting. Stop at 110. That's the sort of idea that I want to see happen.
Gotcha. Yeah,
but it doesn't look like we're going to get there. It's just stuck to V1. Jamie, how are the accounts?
You hit 200 pointers.
I hit 200 pointers very occasionally. There's a bit of sell-off. So
but you
95. Targeting 29.70. Let's see if I can get the fill on this. So literally just wanting to get filled at the bottom of that short-term range we have. Stop at the high of that short-term range. I got filled short.
Nice. To speed my stream up a little bit to see what you're talking about. I see it now. I mean, hope you get it. Quick rotation through the range would be nice.
Yeah, exactly.
Jamie, how are the accounts? What's the latest? Same for you, Jaz. My account was fine up until I took 3 stops last night back to back on the way down, and now I'm down 200. But otherwise, fine. Could be worse.
Could be a lot worse. My account is, this is the Tradeify 50k that I started on the stream. This is, well, if this trade wins, I pass it, so we'll see. Targeting 29.070 or just below. I hope that my math's right. The worst thing is to do what Matt did and like need another 30 bucks.
Oh, he was short 30. I was gonna say, did you like miscalculate your stop? Because I've done that, or I think I'm in for like, I don't know, a $300 trade, and I'm down like 600.
Yeah, that's just the worst thing. Okay, that's TP on that, and that's the account passed.
Go. GG's, yo, huge GG's
nice
in the chat. That's dope. Good job.
Cheers, man.
You dog.
Following the trend, baby. Trust the trend. Yuri, trust the range. I trust the trend. Like a power couple.
Cool. Very nice.
Right, I'm now going to... I think you're not going to be able to see George's face for a second because I need to switch over to Apex now. Yeah, how's your account looking? So, yeah, just for when I'm switching over. I should do what Liam does. He's got like a pretty background that he uses when he wants to hide his screen. Good. Oh, it's already saved it. That's nice. He's like, it's just like a picture that he puts on and it covers his screen whilst he's, you know, logging into something. Yeah, I want an intro as well because there's so many times that I'm just like starting to stream and I'm like panicking. Is everything working? Like, have I got where's my, like, and there's the YouTube delay where you press live and it takes like 20 seconds for it to appear on your screen. It's like, am I live? Whose channel am I live on?
Okay, you want to share? Or
I haven't done that right. Not sure I've done this quite right. Oh, really? Whoops.
The video isn't set up for the...
Maybe going back.
Very nice, very nice.
Yeah, sorry guys, my bad.
All right, now you all should be able to hear me. Didn't think of that one. Makes sense though.
Yeah, I didn't think of it either. Right. Jamie, you copy trading accounts? No, not yet. I don't copy trade across prop firms. I will do when TRADESTER comes out,
Hell yeah.
as that's got the feature built in. I can say that because Matt leaked it already.
Okay. I was gonna say, what's that? I've said it before too, so I hope it's public info.
It is, yeah. Matt said it on one of his streams.
Got
I have
it.
to try and remember what he said, so that's all I can say.
Yes. Found out yesterday by accident I have free level 2 through MotiveWave apparently. I don't know whether this is like a glitch or whether it's supposed to happen this way, but yeah, my Rhythmic accounts, this is not like MotiveWave license through Lucid that you can get like through a prop. This is like I'm paying for my own license, but when I use prop data, I for whatever reason get level 2.
That's interesting.
Someone
To be fair,
put me onto that.
I think Apex's thing as well, because I pay for level 2 data through Apex, but I paid once. It said $10 a month, and it hasn't charged me in like 2 years.
And you're still getting it?
Yeah.
Hey man, I won't blow you up. I won't share. I didn't hear that.
But they're probably watching anyway. I'll know, just pay it myself. We'll see.
Didn't hear it from me.
It's even on the website, so I don't think it's a leak. Oh, is it just on Motorway's website? So it's just a thing they provide. That's nice.
That they just give you level 2. Are you serious? No way. What do I search for that? MotiveWave level 2 data?
Do they give data as well? Is it data done through Motorwave or MotiveWave, isn't it?
The name of it, yeah. I'm in like a support feed from 2024. Where on the website? Oh, for TRADESTER. Okay, never mind. Yeah, never mind.
Oh, I see the TRADESTER thing. Yeah. Is your data is the data and the account done by Lucid on your where you're logged in on Rhythmic now?
I'm on my Tradeify account right now, so it's Tradeify Rhythmic.
Oh, okay, I see.
Jamie, the Lucid is gone. The Lucid is no longer with us.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. There have been casualties, trust me.
We need to have a funeral for it.
Yeah.
I was going to have a funeral for mine if I blew it. I came pretty close at one point.
Yeah, how close were you?
I wasn't actually that close, but the thing is, with the way I trade, it was pretty close. I was like $700 off of blowing it. But since I'm in with 1 mini and I risked, 350, 400 per trade.
Right. So
one bad stream and it was gone.
Yeah. Yeah, Ryan, the war of attrition. All right, I have done something interesting. I have pulled up a YM chart.
Have you actually? Oh, I wish I could show your screen. We did try and get it working. It was working yesterday, and for some reason it just bugged out today. Must be something on my end.
Don't know what happened. Figure it out as we go. I mean, for what it's worth, the YM trade last night off of prior day's point of control was a hell of a lot cleaner than it was on NQ.
Really?
I think. Just like
YM.
Straight wicked it, straight rejected, and then puked from there.
I should look at YM more. I think I've only taken like 4 trades on it in history. I did notice it has pretty good volume. Yeah, like ever.
Nice.
Well, the thing is, I kept on when I first started and I was with Top Step and it was very easy to switch symbol. I would just constantly be like, NQ sucks. What's gold like? Gold sucks. What's YM like? And I'd just be switching it all over the place, and then I would never master any of them.
Yes, yeah, that'll happen. Hey, or you could be like me, trade the same thing for 2 years and still never master it,
You never master anything though in trading, do you? You build like a relationship with it. Like I'll look at Nasdaq and go, I like that short, but I know what you're gonna do. I know what you're gonna do. You're gonna seek my stop, aren't you?
Yeah, abusive relationship.
Yeah, it is. It's like a toxic relationship.
Yeah, especially with Nasdaq. I've heard that said so many times.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. Maybe I'll just Ryan. Maybe you inspired me. Maybe I'll just transition to full-time boomer trading.
Ryan, do you actually trade YM like consistently?
I know Lambra does. Lambra loves YM.
He does, yeah. And the good gains bot in the Discord keeps on roasting him for it. We're front running 30 again.
Photon, you trade YM2. Let's go. I didn't say you were a boomer. I'm just saying you've inspired me with your YM talk to become a boomer. I have voluntarily raised my age by about 60 years right now. But like even the order flow seems to make sense on it. Like there's a prior low here and there's an order just sitting right at that low. Like what happens if we sweep the low, hold it, and then pump? We will find out.
So it's just going to get defended. Sounds more obvious to me. Yeah. Right. From this point forward, I'm now a full-time YM trader.
What's up, Anthony? How we doing? Dude, Anthony almost got the hat trick, dog. He got the, I don't know, I think this is all in my stream. He got the first giveaway, and then I think Matt gifted memberships, and then Anthony got a membership too. And then he was trying to go for the next giveaway for the hat trick.
Man, Anthony, did you buy a lottery ticket after that?
Yeah, right? Like that should have been the third option.
Yeah. If I did trade it, I'd never tell. I'm sure we can guess, Ryan. I think YM trades.
Oh, okay. Go. Read it. You got it. You got your stream. You got it. Sorry.
I think YM trades more in one direction if you can get a good entry point. It just takes all day to work. Yeah. I think you're probably. I don't know. I actually don't know. You've got it up on your screen. You tell us.
I have a 1 minute chart up. I'm not looking at like anything super big. I do have a 30 minute with the profiles up. I mean, it moves like, it's not like it doesn't move. I have heard that it moves very slowly. I've heard that from several people. So you have to be a lot more patient, but I'm also trading Globex. Like I'm on stream for 5 hours. I had no issue being patient.
Yeah. That's
the whole name of the game for me, truthfully, is just be patient.
Is it more consistent moves? Like, does the New York Open trigger it that much, or as much as Nasdaq?
Yeah, it's got like cash sessions, so it definitely trades like New York time for sure.
Right.
I don't know. I mean, I'll watch it and I'll report back, I guess.
Yeah. I want to do a stream one day where the chat trades for me. I like get a fresh eval and just like one without a consistency rule, so we can just full send it and a daily loss limit. And just,
trust me, chat is going to full port it. There will be no responsible trading.
No, there will not be. No, I'll just be blowing $100, but I think it'll be very entertaining. Just to see everyone's ideas. The thing is, I need to get like Matt in it so he can host the polls. Because if I just do it in chat, everyone's gonna be like, long, no, short, no.
Yeah, it's true.
100 point stop loss.
Organize it a little bit better.
Yeah.
Or just no stop loss.
Yeah, no stop loss. Your maximum loss limit is your stop loss.
Not condoning, chat, not condoning.
6 minis on one trade pass. Yeah, I think I'd only need like 25 points to pass. 6 minis.
The YM just like rejected VWAP almost to the tick twice at 52 320s-ish and is rolling over. It's now like 70 points lower. I'm gonna have to transition. I'm gonna do it.
Are you doing it?
Do it.
You can just get short and long at every level that's got orders.
I'm gonna do it.
Hell yeah, where we're going, we don't need stop losses, baby. Yes, Tex.
Yep. Yeah.
That is the right attitude. NQ did break that prior low.
Let me go back to my NQ chart. Oh yeah, bit of a slap.
Barely,
I'd still like to see it lower. I really want to see like into 29.020s.
Yeah. I want to find an opportunity to get short at some point. Again. That's what trading with the trend's all about for me. Just like, you get short on one move, then you wait for it to come all the way back up again. Like yesterday, I think I took the same trade 3 times. Like same entry, same TP. They weren't as clean. Like I think I got stopped the 3rd time, but the 2nd time, basically the same move.
I just pulled a fib on YM from the high to the low. Oh, Beautiful.
Is it?
I mean, just wicked 50% and dumped.
We have a look. Price retracement tool, I think it's called in Sierra chart. So,
Of course it is. Why would it be called anything normal?
no, of course.
Why not just fib?
I know. Well, the thing is, I tried it yesterday, and this Fibonacci fan, and if you watch the stream, it just like, way.
Yeah, dude, I've got one of those too. Were you in my stream when we did the whole indicator science session?
I don't know.
Okay, I'm gonna link you a photo from the Discord real quick. And you'll understand very quickly what happened.
Yes, I did, Jamie. What did I do? I've forgotten now. What was I talking about? I love trading. Nice. So do we all. You said you drew a fib from the very top of the, like the top of the overnight to the bottom of the overnight.
On YM, yes.
Oh, on YM. See. Oh, I did same trade 3 times. Yeah.
Okay, do you have Discord open?
Yep.
Okay, go to that message link that I just sent in the trading chat, and you'll understand very quickly what happened.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, we had some
I don't
fun.
even know what I'm looking at. So that is that MACD? No, it's not. It's acceleration oscillator.
Dude, I don't know. I don't know.
A rune. Hang on, I've got to pull this up on.
Oh, I've never streamed this early in the morning. I have like the sun coming through the window to my left. It doesn't look bad.
No, you look
Just
angelic.
It's a lot of light. I think there's dust on my camera as well.
Honestly, I think you're about to just form a halo above your head.
Is that better? Yeah, there's definitely dust on the camera. 1 second.
What is this even? What? This? A rune?
Again, no idea.
I think that's the chart, but then what's all these? What's the blue dots? Are those buy and set indicators on your screen? Like you've got the short arrows. Just cleaning his camera. Oh yeah, then my PC crashed. That was rough.
All right, I'm back. Yeah, walk me through that. You were just streaming, OBS said bye, and then it crashed?
Well, no, this is the thing. It came up with like a Windows error. And then and I was like, what's that? And then I clicked on it, and the OBS said it came up with an error message saying it has crashed. And so I assumed the stream had already ended. And I was like, oh, OBS has crashed. And then I pressed, and it said, do you want to send a report? And I pressed yes. And the moment I pressed yes, it crashed. So I think next time that error comes up, I'm just going to leave the error on the other screen.
Yeah.
And just...
Ignore it.
Yeah.
I don't know, I think that's kind of better. Not really. Whatever. Oh, it's lens flare? Sorry, I'm new to, oh, am I gonna get flamed? Oh no. What is lens flare?
I think it's just like when the light hits the glass itself.
Caused by stray bright light scattering inside a camera lens, producing effects like starburst, rings, spots, or haze. Oh, it is lens flare. Ah. That's my bad, chat. It's my bad.
The funny thing is about that chart that you were using, someone out there uses something like that, and they only
I
go off
know.
the buy indicators and the sell indicators. Like,
I know.
I remember when I
was-
first started trading and I saw people like using MACD and all this, and it's like only buy when these conditions are met, and it's like you're not even looking at the chart. You might as well remove the candlesticks at that point because you're just
That
looking
was-
at lines.
Yeah, that was the goal, was to get rid of price, and we did it. I like literally lost price on my chart. It was just indicators.
Yeah. Like people do it. Like they have like a checklist. Is MACD green? Yes. Is this? Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And then they just blindly long. And it like
Smash
market could be
mark the
dumping. Yeah.
Yeah. Brother trying to clean out physics. Yeah, my bad, bro.
Chat, get him. Just turn it a couple of degrees towards yourself, it'll go away.
The problem is I can't really move my camera. It's like the spot I have it in is the spot it needs to be. It's not going to go anywhere else.
You've got the Elgato one, don't you? I think you can turn the camera without turning the stands.
No, I can't. I can move the whole thing however I want. I'm saying like for the angle that it's looking at though, I can't, like, it's gotta face this way.
Right.
Oh, good. It's the caffeine acting up. Yeah, man, my coffee's hitting. Thank God. I was not awake earlier.
Have you made any progress on getting the decks out on stream yet?
No, man. I'm telling you, it sucks, but like 69 thumbs up. We can do better. Tack, you're absolutely right. We can do a ton better. That being said, I mean, I did like it. I made it was the first thing I did. That being said, I mean, chat. We can't make anything happen. Hint, hint, wink, wink. At 69 likes only, we cannot make anything happen at only 69. It's gonna be like 125 minimum.
I want 200 on the stream, and then I'm gonna give away an account.
200.
Yeah.
Price.
We hit it yesterday. Hit it the day before that. Day before that.
GG's. Oh, okay. So yours gets more likes than mine, just straight up.
Well, it usually hits like as soon as like it hits like 8 o'clock central. You get all the people rolling in for mats. I'm like, right, guys, who wants an account?
Got it.
I just
the timing of it.
Yeah.
I have not made progress. Again, that's another like weekend thing I need to do. Is set all that up because I like literally just don't have time during the week.
Yeah.
I wake up, either hit the gym or I sleep in a little bit because I got 5 hours of sleep last night, so I need to balance that out tonight and try to go to bed at a reasonable time so I actually sleep decently.
You're a lion.
Go to work, come back from work, get on stream, go to bed, repeat.
Bet you're really hyped to not have to do the day job anymore.
That'll be fun. It's not for like a good amount of time. It's gonna be like end of August, but that'll be fun.
It's about a month away now, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're testing 30. I think actually we front ran it by a tick this time, so we're getting closer. Yeah, one tick.
Yeah, still almost at the 50%. I mean, I'm just gonna follow what the baby goat, the mentor Sweaty said. And he said dojis and fibs. Dojis and fibs. Yeah, Ryan, I'm planning on it. I am yeah. It's in the works. Might be burning the boat soon.
What's that saying? If you're so confident, burn the boats. Burn the ships.
I'm definitely not confident, but I think it's time. I think it's a good idea. Definitely wouldn't say I'm confident because it's like it's a big step, you know?
Oh, 100%. It is a big step.
Thanks, Ryan.
It is short, I think. It's about average height.
Nice.
No, I agree. Yeah, 15-minute, we're trending down. 5-minute, we're breaking that temporary uptrend we had. 1 minute, obviously. I use the EMAs on my chart here just to give a little bit of confluence to direction. Not to get into trades, but...
Everyone's quitting their job and I'm here wanting one. There's nothing wrong with it, man. You want a job, Like I think that's a good thing. It provides stability.
And as Matt was saying a while ago, you do miss the water cooler talks being a trader. Like, you've got no... You get up from your desk, you're just in your house. Yeah.
Interesting. I didn't know you said that. I don't. I can tell you right now, I'm not going to miss my water cooler talks at all.
No?
That's more so just as a result of the people I work with.
Ah, I see. Yeah. No, that's an individual experience.
Yeah.
Okay, we're breaking through Asia's low here.
29K. I would like to see a Wiccan reclaim of 29K, and then I would personally be looking for longs back up to like 80.
Yeah?
I think that would make sense. What's YM doing? My Lord and Savior YM.
First trade on my funded account. Let's make it a banger.
YM also trying to sell.
Is it? Okay.
Trying to. I mean, it hasn't really gone anywhere. Same deal as NQ, honestly. It's just like bottom of the range. We have a block on YM about 50 points lower, so I'm going to check back for that in a little bit. I'm more interested in NQ at this point.
Is 50 points on YM is considered less than 50 points in NQ, yeah?
YM is YM's weird. It doesn't have, you know how NQ has ticks, like a quarter of a point is a tick, 1 point is 1 point. YM only has, like, they're interchangeable. Ticks and points are the same thing. It's like, it's just increments of, does it go down?
So one
or
tick is
change?
$1, so technically 1 point.
Yeah, 1 point is $1. Or sorry, 1 point is 1 tick is 1 point. They're the same. It's just there's no decimal, and 1 point is $5 on YM.
Oh right, okay, that's interesting.
So like a 50 pointer gets you what, 250 in doll hairs?
Per mini.
Yes. Which is
Yeah,
kind of
that's not
nice
much.
because it's less leveraged. Like you can still make a decent amount as long as you catch a relatively larger move, like 100 points, let's say.
Yeah.
But the YM does move several hundred points a day. Like overnight highs at 52,515, and we're currently 300 points lower than that.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. I'm gonna give it a shot, and then I will let y'all know. Jazzy moving to trading full time. I mean, down the line, yeah, it's like trading, streaming, and then whatever else I got going on.
No, we all started this for a reason, didn't we?
Truth.
Right, I'm going to refresh my YouTube, see how many likes we got. Every time I do this, it full blasts it in my ear. Right, I'm going to
full blast it. Like it resets the volume.
Yeah, to max.
Interesting. Mine doesn't do that.
It didn't do it on my first 2 streams. Now it's doing it every time. I don't know why.
Do you have the YouTube stream muted normally?
Yeah.
Huh. Yeah, I don't have that happen. I have mine muted, and then I refresh and it stays muted.
All right, chat, we're on 81 likes now.
Gonna need more than that, chat. I'm gonna need at least 200. At least 200.
At least 200, yeah. Did you do kind of hard golf today? No. We should do it at the same time, but you can't obviously show yours on stream.
Yeah,
well, you did it
see
overnight,
mine,
didn't you?
I did yesterday's overnight, so there should be a new one today.
Ah. We need to get Yuri to make us another one.
Yeah, I'll be right back if I go to the bathroom.
Yeah, no worries. Double trouble. Indeed, sir.
As I say that, what's up, Matt?
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Oh, I need to add on my text onto OBS. Let me do that very quickly. Text. Right. Select font. You know what we're going for. Comic Sans. Right. Let's go. That should be visible enough for you. Now, no one is going to do 200 per Apex account. It's a Lucid 50k Pro. Also, business lens. If you don't want to do it, don't enter. That's fine, man. Don't encourage him. 320 yesterday or something. Jan, that was on Yuri's. Yuri's was hard. Not my fault. Did I buy the 50k Apex in the flash sale? No. This one I've had in my garage for a few weeks. I haven't actually bought an account in since the Tradeify account that I passed today, actually. That's the last one I bought, which is 2 weeks ago. Oh, NQ Matt, when did you come in? Good morning. Ah, you did say good morning. I'm so sorry, I didn't see that. Good morning. Trader Jono, good morning. Told you I entered short and hit TP. GG, Stefano. Or Stefan. Catch up a GG for Stefan. Jamie, give us a solo. Not yet. Maybe later. I'm trying to work out why people think their likes are worth more than a possible chance at a free pop account. Yeah, no. Likes literally cost nothing. It's not even just like they actually cost nothing. They help me. It puts you into a chance to win a free account, and it costs you nothing. Barefoot Greenback, good morning. I hope you get another bang of a trade today. Yeah, we'll hope so. I did get short up here at 90, but I only needed 350 on the Tradeify, so I TP'd at like 70. OBS has crashed, Jamie gone. I'm sorry about that. I realized the error came up and OBS is still running. So next time if that error pops up, I'm gonna just leave the error there and not press anything. Because the moment I pressed yes or something or okay on the error, that's when it turned off the stream. So I'm just gonna leave it. 171 people watching. For those who don't know, 200 likes past an account. Actually, I'm gonna put this on the screen. Now that I know how to type text on it. No, they're Comic Sans, I'm afraid. Alright, let's shrink that right down. Where's I put that? I put it there. Put it there. There you go. What's your next trade, Jamie? I wanted to get short again in the same sort of range, but we're quite far off that now. So I think a bid into that zone is just unreasonable. So I want to look for shorts. Is my basic idea. Maybe at 29.40 to 29.80, that kind of range. Can't you activate the Tradeify one intraday? Not on Rhythmic, unfortunately. Rhythmic, it updates at the end of the day. So it does work on Tradeify, I believe. Props to Calorie Masters who can't be asked to press the button and waste that energy. Yeah, exactly. It's a 50k Lucid Pro account, arguably the best 50k account you can buy. So how does the giveaway work? Do we have to type a word or will we automatically be enrolled? So you like the stream and then I won't start the giveaway until I get enough likes on the stream. It's a like goal. It's a tit for a tat, you know? You give me a like, I will start the giveaway. And then I'll give you a code word, type it into the YouTube chat, then I'll run a draw. You'll get to see it all on screen. So I've got this really cool, well, Matt made this really cool animation, which he's very proud of. Good reason. Good bot. And you'll get picked. There's a chance you can get stopped out, but then I'll just roll it again. It's good fun. Morning, Lyrics. How you doing? That cost me 3 likes, really. Cheers, Jono. Appreciate you, man. Wow, we are just rolling down here, aren't we? I so want a short here, but not game. Yeah, exactly. This is why I'm waiting for a pullback. I'm rather happy just sitting on my hands here. Because the thing is about the beautiful thing about the London session is it's the start of the day. So we can sit here. This will be for Americans and Europeans. This will be the first sort of market that you sit in front of. So you can just take it slow. You can warm up. You can take a trade if you see one, or you can just sort of, no, I want to wait for a pullback up into 29.80, 70, 60, and then I'll short it, sure. But until then, you know, I'm more than happy just to sit on my hands and wait. And then when an opportunity comes, it's perfect. Or you just don't take anything and you mark out the levels for the New York session, and then you've really prepared for it. That's what I like to look for.
I'm back. Sorry.
Yo.
Yo.
We're making some progress on the likes right now.
Heck yeah. See, we're making some progress to the downside too. What's up?
We are. That's a proper dump.
I leave and we sweep another 40 points or whatever.
Yeah. It's exactly what happens to me when I go to the bathroom. That's why if I'm short, I'm just gonna go to the bathroom quick. I also like to blame chat if it does get stopped out whilst I'm gone. Hardest thing as a trader, in my opinion, is sitting on your hands. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, just being patient in general is tough, dude. It's very much like a practiced skill. Some people might be more patient than others just naturally, but like even those people, it's still a struggle. Like you have to try to be patient, like very consciously make an effort.
It's because trading's so easy. You can literally long and short it, and you're watching price go up and down. And you know that if you shorted at 980 here, you'd currently be up 30 points, 40 points. You know, it's dumping like crazy. But you just have to sit there and chill out, you know.
Oh yeah,
Intentionally not take
accelerating
anything.
into the lows. Let me see what my GOAT YM is doing. YM new lows as well into volume. I think if YM wicks out the VWAP -2 under this volume, I will try the long.
Yeah, we're already beyond -2 now. Excuse me, blimey. I get horrendous hay fever. I've got like a hotkey for muting my mic every time I sneeze.
Nice.
Is hay fever a big thing in America? Like,
I'm gonna be totally real with you. I don't really know what that is. I know I've heard the word. I know like people have it. I don't know.
It's just like an
what it
allergy
is.
to pollen. It just makes you sneeze and.
Allergic rhinitis is an allergic reaction when it occurs in your immune system overreacts to allergens such as pollen, dust mites, mold, or animal dander. So, I mean, yeah, like I have a pollen allergy. I get destroyed like every May. Basically, the entire month of May, I like don't stop sneezing.
Same. You don't call it hay fever over there?
I just call it allergies.
Is that just? Is that what Matt's
I don't
talking
know.
about when he's talking about allergies? It's his hay fever. Is that just a British thing?
Probably.
That's weird.
If I had to guess.
I thought he was talking about shellfish or something.
Yeah, he's waking up and ripping oysters before work. That he
Hey, they're
knows he's allergic
aphrodisiac.
to. Yeah, he knows he's allergic to. He's like, nah, I need it.
An addiction. Oh, they have
You like
aircon and
oysters?
filters. Yeah, that's true.
Are you into seafood at all? You like oysters or anything?
I'm actually not into oysters. I do like seafood, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But mussels and oysters have never been sort of my go-to that much. I love scallops.
Gotcha.
Um,
Scallops are goated.
Oh, that's so nice.
Incredible.
Yeah.
I would say probably top 2 seafoods. And honestly, I think scallops are awesome. They're just very
Yeah.
versatile.
And you have them with just have you ever had them with like a Café de Paris butter? It's like just butter with anchovies and chilies and stuff. It's really good.
Yeah, that sounds awesome, dude.
Doji.
What'd you call it? Café de Paris?
Yeah, it's literally just Café de Paris. That's how it's spelled.
They have their own like butter concoction named after them?
Oh, the Parisians are so obnoxious. They don't like to come up with creative names. They just call it butter of Paris, you know?
Nice. The tracks.
Yeah. And it's like they've got their own gnocchi as well, and it's literally called Parisian gnocchi. Just gnocchi from Paris.
That's nice.
I hear the Italians doing that.
That's funny. Oh, MNQ new lows.
Yep, barely.
Chili lemon pepper scallops. Yeah, fire, bro.
So that's a 200-point dump, to be fair.
Yeah, damn. All right, well, good to have some movement. Wonder if we bid this. Let's see where we are on a higher time frame. What are we trading into? Oh, I have a level on NQ at 28,890.
28,890. Is that
So
this
that would be
prior
like-
consolidation here? No, it's not that.
If you're looking back, I'm looking at a 30-minute chart. If you're looking back 2 days to the left,
Yeah.
like during my Globex stream, it's like a prior consolidation. Yeah,
It's just the middle of
I
that
have-
consolidation. Yeah, I see it on the
basically.
15.
And I have an HVN, like a high volume node, coming out from there that has not been traded yet. So that is personally what I think will trade to the downside.
Okay. I'll just mark out that whole consolidation bit, and so we're basically entering the top of that consolidation now.
Yeah,
I've marked that
like
right.
we just tapped it. Yep. I wonder if we like actually hold this low or not. I kind of hope we don't. Personally, I'd like to see lower.
Yeah, I'd like to see some kind of bidding happen here. 22 range. Looks like it might. Actually, looks like it might. Yeah.
That might what bid?
It's just how far we're going to bid to. We have very much overextended, so I think we've got room for a good 50 points.
YM's got a fat block.
If we do,
like
okay, never mind.
300 points
Didn't
lower.
take it, luckily, but
it's a way down there though. Not looking at that. Way down there.
Nope. You good? Yay.
Yeah, are you back? Was that me that
dunno.
disconnected?
Must have been one of us.
I don't know. I heard it too though. I got worried. That sounds like we're back though.
Jamie, what colleague's name he traded Asia session? Oh, do you mean Joz? Yeah.
Hey, what's up, M Brown? Yeah, I trade the Globex Open. So if you want to stop by, Globex Open stream, pull up, have some fun. Hopefully, watch me not, liquidate another Lucid eval.
No, well, you can't do that anymore because you're on Tradeify, right?
Yes, because I don't have any more Lucid evals. Correct. Yes. Okay, YM is slowing down into this HVN at the lows, and then big seller at the lows as well.
Really? Okay. So they've broken their lows as well.
Yes, YM broke the lows, and then big seller at the lows that as of right now, like it tried to bid out of. I'm filled 1 on YM.
Long.
Yes, long. I have to adjust my stop though because I filled it with an NQ bracket. So I'm gonna give this a 40-point stop. That's $200 risk, and I would like to see pretty much just back into the range. So I'm long from 52.104 back into like 52.30 would be ideal.
Okay. We don't have a YM chart. I'm not switching Sierra chart because that's a nightmare. Right, I'll tell you what. I'm gonna use the
You don't have to pull up the YM chart.
I want to follow along. You have to be a commentator.
I will. I mean, I'll walk you guys through it. I'm currently up $60 on it, so like 6 points or whatever. Sorry, 13 points.
Is that one mini?
It's a mini, yeah. I'll keep you updated though. Don't worry.
Nice one. Yeah, excited to hear how that goes. I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick. Be back in a sec.
All right, chat. He has left the stream in your hands and my hands. Quick chat. What are all the things we need to know that we can't tell Jamie? Chat, tell me the Wordle. What's the Wordle? What was the entry, Jaws, and why? Let me send a screenshot of this in the Discord so anyone who's in here in the Discord can see it. And then if you're not in the Discord, obviously, bottom right of the screen, come rip the Discord with us. But let me send the whole chart. That way you guys can see what I'm looking at. Again, we tried to get the video screen share to work. Trader. I heard he's actually pretty good at guitar. Pretty rips. We tried to get the screen share on VDO to work. Unfortunately, whatever settings we had last night didn't want to carry over to today because it was like sizing the screens weird, unfortunately. Just save this as YM. So going forward, we'll try to figure that out for sure. But yes, Tack is right. Please press the like button. I would like to give away an account, but y'all need to earn it.
I come back to Jono roasting me in the chat.
Yeah, don't know what that was about.
Whoa!
Unbelievable. No, I'm playing.
Oh, we're so gonna catch a bid here, aren't we? It's so choppy.
I pray.
You needed to spam the chat so I wouldn't see it.
I sent the screenshot of my YM trade in the Discord.
Oh, did you?
The reason for getting long was that we swept out the low. If you look left, we swept out the low that we put in at like 3 in the morning my times, like 4.5 hours ago. And then I got long based on large sellers showing up around that low and that volume, and then we kind of pumped out of those sellers trying to show up, and now we currently have a relatively same size buyer showing up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hold
Yeah,
it.
I see.
And we'll see what happens.
Those are the bubbles, yeah? On your chart.
Yes, the delta bubbles.
Love it. Tell you what, chat, if we break this high on NQ here, this tiny one, I'll get long. There you go, just like that. I can actually place it.
Are you just throwing on the long for fun, or because I'm in a trade, or is this the?
I want to join you.
Trade?
I like the idea as well. NQ's basically doing the exact same thing.
Oh no.
Double stop out incoming.
Yeah, horrendous. Boys down 10 billion.
Yeah. Did we crack that prior high? Yes, we did. I'm keen. I might give this down to 910 so we can do a little sweep of that low and then run from there. Let's see us bid off of this. So exactly to the tick, the prior low, basically. That way I can risk just 12.5 points. Right, I'm filled now as well. Let's go.
Nice. Jamie, what was the issue when we were trying to get my screen up? It was like that it was coming over as like a weird size, like my camera.
No, it basically, where your webcam is on the screen, it basically did it as it was like a Google Meet call. And it like put your face cam in a small thing and then your screen permanently on where your face cam is. It just put it in like one input link.
Yeah. So like it was like stacked. You wouldn't have had like separate inputs for it.
No, it was doing them together. Apart from the separate screen only link, it was just messing with your face cam.
Okay. Because yeah, the ChatGPT did not answer my question.
I did it not.
Okay, I'm currently down $25 in my YM position.
Yeah,
now.
I'm down 10 points, 200.
F.
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on, I'm gonna try not to mess anything up here. I'm gonna click screen share though, okay, on video.
Okay.
Well, tell me if this completely just booms everything. Yeah, everything on the screen can be shared. Okay, share. Did I just ruin everything?
It's doing it. Oh no, it's done it. It's somehow done it the other way around now. So now your face cam is where your screen was, and your screen is now a tiny thing. But it should. Can I crop this? I wonder.
I have an option to do picture in picture. Should I try that?
Yeah. So I'm gonna go break even on this trade for now. I want to see us catch more bids till that prior high.
That didn't do anything. I clicked it and nothing happened.
Yeah, it hasn't made a difference to that.
Okay, let me see what the stream looks like right now.
I'll have a new link in the director portal. Yeah.
Where are we at?
Copy link.
Yeah, thank you, tech support. Sorry to interrupt your gym session for tech support. Oh yeah, I see on the stream now. It's like
you see what I mean? I can now do your screen. That works fine. It's just it messes with your face cam somehow, and I can't think about why.
And then even if it was like, ideally we have it to where my screen becomes your screen, if that makes sense. Like,
yes,
instead of your charts, it's mine full size.
Well, I can do that. That works fine.
Oh, okay.
So I can I've put it on there now. But it's just messing with your webcam. I don't know why.
There's the butt. Yep.
If I just increase this thing's size here. Aha! I can cover it. That works. I mean,
So
Jerry
let me catch
rigging
up on
it, but-
stream. I am a few seconds behind. What are we looking at?
I've now, because I just literally cropped it, so
Yeah.
there you go. So now let's have a look at your trade now.
LJ999, what up, dude? How you doing? LJ999, you have walked into trading support tech chat.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Okay, perfect.
Yeah, you're catching some
Nice,
some biz now.
Oh, you can see the. Hold on, let me get rid of this. The video is sharing my screen. Okay, yeah, you should be able to see everything.
Yep.
Nice. See, Matt, Jamie is very intelligent. He figured it out. God help us when I'm hosting a stream. We're cooked.
We'll figure it
catching
out.
a slight bid.
It
40
worked the
points up.
first time we tested it last night. It's just not working anymore for some reason. Okay, we're catching some volume here. I'm up on my trade 20 points now.
Nice. I'm gonna trim my stop a bit,
Yeah, I'm break even on mine.
just in case we want to like wick and retest my exact break even, which the
Let's see if
markets
I can
love
show
to do.
Let's see if I can show both at the same time. So that way, chat, now you should be able to see Jaws's trade.
Screen and screen.
Yeah, that is so cluttered though.
There's a lot going on there.
Yeah, there is a lot going on.
I mean, this is YM too. I might be sitting in this for like an hour, truthfully.
Yeah, I might be in this for a good long while. I'm actually going to tighten my stop a little bit. I'm going to bring it down to that prior wick there just in case. And I'll widen it if we get some legs.
This is the new eval,
So-
right? The Apex one.
This is my fresh Apex funded actually. Yeah,
Oh, the funded. Ooh.
yeah. Passed this yesterday on stream, I think. So I'm eyeing up. I've just put it back on my screen now. I'm eyeing up. So we're catching some sort of rejection up here. We cracked the prior high, which makes me think we continue. We've got room up until at least this, I think. We've got that wick that can hold us. We've got the prior open that can hold us. That's all above my break-even stop loss. So I'm happy to just sit in this and let it do its thing. We might get break-even stopped out, but we'll see.
I mean, hopefully not. Hopefully it just runs.
It's weird. YM is literally copying.
Yeah, they're pretty synced right now.
Yeah. Copying NQ. So if you TP, I TP, baby. Let's do it.
I hope so. My total trade would be 150 points on YM. That's like 450 total. If we go all the way back to point of control. Big if.
Yeah. So your target is, if I was targeting like 29,040 in NQ, which is about 120 points. It looks like based on price action alone.
Knowing NQ's book though, I mean, I'm sure you'll have just like a random 40-point pump out of nowhere.
Oh yeah, and we got top of the hour coming up in 7 minutes.
Oh,
Oh, okay, chat.
receive.
I need to have a conversation with Fred because he is an absolute legend. You'll see this on the stream in a second. I just had to switch it over. That was an instant TP.
W. GG's.
3 times. 3 times.
That's awesome. I'm telling you, man, they're in the stream. They're watching.
Fred is here. Fred,
They just. They seem
he's
to like
doing
you.
something. He does like me. I don't know why. Well, that's good. That's 920 on the Apex funded.
Jeez. Casual banger.
Yeah. Right, we're back on yours now. Let's see. Oh, you got that crazy bid as well on the YM.
I did. Didn't go nearly as far, unfortunately.
My stop was my take profit was a lot tighter than yours when it comes to price action. So I think it's the same move percentage wise.
Lottery Jamie's back.
Lottery Jamie's
when you buy
back,
the lottery
yeah.
ticket, dog.
I should do it tonight. Actually, is there a Euro Millions on?
Hey man, when you win big, don't forget us, okay?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. I'll just build a competing channel.
Yeah, bankrolled by $100 million in production.
Yeah, this Friday they're hosting a $59 million lottery. I'm 100% into that after the stream.
Nice, nice, nice.
Oh, Zeus, you're in that trade too? GG's. Nobody should be copying my trade, but if you saw the same trade and you took the same trade and you liked it, GG's on the TP as well.
What he said. Very factual. I mean, I don't love that wick. I'll be honest. That does suss me out, but
It's just volume, though. I have faith in, on NQ at least, I have faith in the continuation of this move.
move to break even. Might as well.
Yeah.
No reason to take the loss.
Oh, it keeps your P&L from the overnight as well.
Yeah, because it's all technically one session.
Yeah, yeah. Mine always messes up because we have different time zones, so my P&L will reset if I trade like last night's Globex.
Yeah.
It doesn't reset on like the prop firms. If there's a DLL, I've still got that same drawdown as I had last night if I lost 300 or something. But
yeah, that's tied to the session.
Yeah, but the daily P&L on the top of my chart, that resets at midnight.
Gotcha.
Or different
Photon,
times.
I don't know where you heard that. That's not what I promised. Dude, trust me, I want to get that set up. I just need to like find time during the day, aka this weekend, to like actually run everything in.
That would be sick if you get if we could play together. That would be so cool. We'd have to figure out the latency though, because otherwise everyone's going to be hearing like us out of sync,
out of key, out of pitch, out of time. It'd be awful.
It'd be funny though.
Sound like a live car crash.
But if we do get 200 likes, I'll be giving away an account. So 50k, a Lucid Pro.
Nice. Open up the business lens. My man is here for the giveaway.
Hit the like, guys. Oh, Taki, did you take a base hit loss? Sorry, man. I'll show some spec trades on the stream at some point as well. I want to see how Joz's plays out though. This is looking like a really good trade. NQ's rolling back a bit.
Yeah.
Live car crash delayed by 500 milliseconds.
Yeah, dude. Am I doing the math? Did I just butcher the math? Wait, hold on. I said 450 or something?
Yeah.
Hold on, guys. Sorry, new to YM. What was I up total here? It's 5 a point.
Oh, so you'd be up like 700 by the end of that?
I was up 435 at one point, and then 250 to 104. Oh, that'd be a $730 trade. Never mind. I butchered the math on that. Jeez.
750?
Yeah.
That's one hell of a comeback.
It was.
That's a 25k as well. You need what, 1500 to pass?
Yes.
What's the account P&L total? Were you...
Coming into the session, I was red on like net on the account by 100 after getting just hosed last night on the way back down.
Right. Okay. Silver, Jamie, are you still in? No. Fred TP'd mine. What a legend. Keeps on doing that. You'll see it here. I was in, it was chopping, and then suddenly, woo, Fred came in. What can I say? 2 days in a row.
Yeah, Ryan. Doesn't say anything about us. Same thing applies, though. Same thing applies.
Matt, chill, Brian.
The Mickey will hire the fees and fund to trading if I do a little. I mean, what's your definition of a little scalp? Like, how little are we talking? Like 1 point on NQ pays for fees and then some. 1 point on MNQ, not so much.
Yeah. I think one MNQ contract costs more than one mini, didn't it? Or it's about the same?
For commissions?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I remember when I had a Tradeify live account, which I'd long gone from, thank God. I think it said MNQ fees were higher than thingy. Yeah, what Matt said, fees never outweigh profits though, really.
Yeah, like generally, if your trades are making money, you're fine on fees, unless you're throwing on like 300 trades a day.
Yeah.
In which case, it'll add up.
Yeah, they add up the more you take, but yeah, with Forex, obviously the spreads. So every trade you enter, you're going to start in the red, and you've got to make a little bit, and then you're in the green. But then there's no fees, if I'm right in saying. I haven't traded Forex in a long time though. Is there a consistency on that account? What account? Apex funded there is 50%. The Tradeify eval there is 40%. The Tradeify funded there isn't. 50% consistency though. Realistically, no one should be breaking that, especially with 5 winning days needed.
Yeah, I'm not worried about consistency rules. I'm worried about making money.
Yeah.
I'm worried about the P&L going to the right direction.
The only consistency rule that does seem a bit extreme is the was it the Tradeify Lightning straight to funded one? That one's got like what 20%?
The directs are tough, which makes sense. Like that's how
Yeah.
they, because you're right into a funded account, they have to be stricter on those.
Yeah.
That makes total sense to me personally.
Oh yeah, 100%. It makes sense because otherwise you just full port CPI and boom, payout.
Yeah.
The ROI is too high.
Yeah, even on the daily. So we're coming back. I was gonna say if/when this passes, but looks like it's gonna be a break even. But if/when this passes, even on the daily, there's no consistency. There's just the DLL, and then you just have to get above buffer for eligibility for payouts.
Yeah.
And then max payout of 600 for the dailies would be the goal.
600 on the 25Ks. That's actually better, as in return on investment wise, because it's 1,000 on the 50K, so it's less percentage of your account wise.
Nice.
It's interesting. And I like the no consistency, and I like the fact that it's just no buffer, because I like to focus on account balance and then just.
Gotcha.
Because I literally blew an Apex PA earlier on this week, I think on Monday. I was up 3.7k in it, and I needed one extra winning day of $250 to get a payout.
Yeah.
And I couldn't do it. For life of me, I kept on losing money, and then I was paper cutting myself back to back to back until eventually the account was gone. I was like, I had the balance.
Yeah.
I could have taken a payout, but I needed one more winning day.
That's the worst feeling. Is when it's like within grasp.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Which is why I'm going to go dailies.
There's a while. Oh, you're going to go dailies too?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. All right, we'll have like a little group going dailies.
Yeah.
There was a while back I was trading on a funded account or set of funded accounts, and like there's people that call this the Palmetto mistake. And I was up like, I think my total balances are probably like 18 to 2,000 across the accounts, and I didn't end up. Later, Matt.
See you later.
I didn't end up taking the payout. I could have taken like 500 per account easily and still had a ton of room for buffer.
Yeah.
And I didn't take it. And then you can guess what happened after.
You blew it.
All of them. Poof.
That is just... And you could have actually requested it that day.
I could have taken like $2,000 out of it total.
Oh my god. The worst for me was with Top Step. It was my first ever payout. Obviously, Top Step, you didn't need to have the buffer, but you can only request 50% of your total balance. That was
right.
I don't know if it's still like that, but that's how it was.
Yes.
And I had $2,000 in the account, so I thought I just want to lock in the first payout. I requested 900, I think, which is the maximum I could. And I thought I'll just deal with the less drawdown because then the drawdown moves to 0. And I requested it.
Yeah.
It took a few days for it to. Obviously, it wasn't straight away approvals like they are now. And next day, I traded it. It was 400. It was declined. So I thought, okay, what I'll do, I'll just bring it back up and request it again. As you can probably imagine, that did not happen.
Such a blow.
Yes.
Oh,
I requested the payout. I had it in my grasp. It was like I'd actually requested it. I just traded it too soon after requesting it, and I lost the. It was declined.
Yeah, best thing you can do is just don't touch it.
Yeah.
That was me with an Apex account as well. Requested it, traded it the next day, down 300, brought me back into buffer, payout declined, and then account went. Just tanked.
No. It's the most painful feeling in the world.
It was
especially
on me
when you could have done
I
it.
just should have not touched it. Should have just opened up the next eval, ran that, paid for the eval with the payout that was coming, and then just snowballed. Instead, I was like, oh, I'm going to trade it.
I do believe that building a buffer is the right thing to do in trading accounts for the long-term goal. But if you are eligible for a payout and you've got a balance enough for it, you should absolutely request it. And then you should use the time. If you've got like a minimum number of trading days or consistency rule, you should use the time until you're ready for the next one to build that buffer. And then as soon as you're ready, once again, just request.
Yeah. I agree. Well, I like that the dailies force you to have a, like, you can't request until you're out of the buffer. I like that.
Yeah. But even then, I want to build a bit of a bigger buffer. But at the same time, they say people are saying they're really quick about moving people to live. Like they're really on it. So
yeah, I'm fine with that. I would go live.
I want to go live as well. I was really against it, partly because of Matt. Matt influenced me to be against it. But now he's for it, and I understand the tax benefits are worse, but
yeah, my personal take is that it depends on where in your journey you are. Like if you are still in the cycle or like the journey, quote unquote, like beginner part of it, where you've never like really traded your own personal live account. Like if your first experience with a real live account is through a prop, then I personally think that's totally fine, because again, it comes down to you managing your own capital and your own risk of not exposing your own money of like 5K, 10K, whatever it is in a live account. And then once you have taken, consistent payouts out of their live account, then yeah, go fund your own for sure. But I think it's like the next logical stepping stone. That's my take.
Yeah, I completely agree. It's it's also, you don't want to be moved into live preemptively. That's one thing I was worried that prop firms would be doing. Is moving someone into a live account and then they lose that live account. Like, because they're just not ready. Because it can happen. You can just get lucky and get 3 payouts back to back on one account, Everyone has winning streaks, and if your winning streaks coincide with your payouts, then yeah, of course.
All right, I am down, back to where I started, basically, minus commissions, because I didn't get the exact break even I wanted. It brought me out at my break even as opposed to the 2 ticks above it that I put, but whatever.
That's a shame.
So that trade died.
I was watching NQ and I was thinking it had bids. Like you should be able to see my screen when it refreshes, but I was watching 22 range and it just looked like it was going to bid, but the 1.5 on NQ held us down. It wouldn't be break even just yet on NQ on my entry, but it would be very close.
NQ looks a little stronger actually.
We're still getting some strong selling start kicking in here. Delta's
interesting.
Delta's pretty flat actually. Not a lot going on. This is the sort of time of day where every day for the New York session I start drawing out levels. One reason being is one of the levels I look for is the central time, 7 a.m. to 7:15 a.m. 15-minute range. I mark that out every day. I look for a breakout of at least 25 points from that zone and then a retest of either the high, low, or midpoint of it.
Gotcha.
That's forming now as we speak. I also have a maximum size for it, so if this keeps on dumping all the way down to like 29k, it's going to be too big for me.
We also have news at 8:30, remember that? So range might expand from what we already have.
Exactly. But then again, that's after the range is formed, because it's just the 15 minutes. So, but it often does break us out quite, especially jobless claims. It often does push us quite far out, which is a shame. But welcome to trading.
Welcome to trading.
The setup's not.
Why I'm still holding up at the lows? Like I'm debating, do I want to retry it? It basically just bounced exactly at my entry and then held the prior low. Like we technically, as of right now, have a prior low, or sorry, a higher low, I should say.
I think do it.
Do it. Just it.
Why stop at 1 minute?
True. Well, because my account limits me to 1.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Well, actually, NQ is rolling a little bit more now, I think.
I would like to see at least another attempt, which it's trying right now, and then if it sweeps this low and reclaims, I could be interested. But I do want it. Okay, there goes the low. So what happens here? Just straight through, or do we actually come back up? That's the key.
Which chart is that? The 1 minute?
1 minute YM, yeah. Damn, 229 watching. What up, y'all?
Let's get it. Everyone make sure to like the screen. You can see the stream.
Yep.
Top right here, you'll see giveaway. Can I try and move my mouse around? No, it's not going to show. Giveaway at 200 plus likes. Keep on going. Lucid 50k Pro. Cost you nothing.
Could go from free to payout. Imagine that.
Oh, yeah, because Lucid, there's no activation fee. That is very doable.
Free to pay out's crazy.
Yeah. Taki, you're only 18 years older than me, so you probably understand. Taki, you're 40. Is that how old did you say you were, Jad? 53? Was it? Yeah, like the stream, and Fred will bless your trade today, trust me. Yeah, he's already done mine. He's proof of concept.
Truth.
58. So yeah, Taki, you're 40. Nice. Where did you say you're from, Taki? It's Lithuania or something, wasn't it? Or was that Yuri?
No way. Bro, I feel too young in here.
How old are you, Boton? I'm learning so much about you guys. I feel quite young at 29. Jaws, I think we're the two youngest people here.
We might be. It's looking like that. Unless Botan comes in with like a 22.
Yeah.
They're all babies.
Well, to be fair, that makes Matt babies compared to a lot of you. Just
Oh,
barely 22. Yay!
What a snipe. What a snipe. 47, 31.
Yeah, Lithuania. I thought it was, yeah.
Tack, you're from Lithuania. That's sick. My, by descent, I'm Polish. I was born in the U.S., but you know, I have a ton of family in Poland, so I'm not that far from you.
Is that where Palmetto comes from?
No, Palmetto comes from, I just really rock with palm trees.
Oh, really? I thought your real name was Palmer. What's your real name? Is it Alex?
Yes.
Ah, I see. So many names. I'd love to visit the Baltics. That'd be nice. Oh, Jack. Jack's birthday's today.
Yeah. Happy birthday, man.
Chat, drop a happy birthday for Jack of all trades in the chat.
Oh, you changed the name. Or was it Zach? I was thinking of Zach of all trades.
No,
Jack
it's Jack of. I called him Jack of at yesterday, and he said it's
Nice.
Jack of all trades.
Nice.
Oh, look how on NQ on my. Am I still on your screen now?
I think you are.
Yeah. On my screen, you can see. Look how empty the books are now. Just nothing.
Happy B-Day, Jacko. Dude, what a snipe of a target that was. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, why I'm still trying a little bit. So I'm going to give this, I'd be willing to give this like tight risk, like under this low it just put in.
Yeah.
If it fills me. Okay. I'm
Yeah,
filled.
NQ looks good.
I have a 12-point stop. I'm filled and it's stopped out. Okay.
No, really.
Never
it's,
mind.
It's one of those, isn't it? It's
That's
doing one
why
of
it was
those
a
little
tight stop.
fake outs.
Yeah, that's why it was, because it retested the prior low. So the thought process there is like we have buyers trying to retest into it. Either we do what we just did, where we actually confirm and slap off of it, in which case I think further downside is on the table, or buyers are legit there, and I'm willing to give that a really tight stop to then trade up into like quote unquote, like prior target.
I love those trades when they do print. It's just like it tends to be actually, you know, when you sort of like the initial trade idea here, imagine we didn't take it and it came back and we tested it and it just gave us that symbol. Now you've got a really good place to put your stop loss as well.
Mm-hmm. Yes, I concur.
Oh, 100%, yeah. GG's Luke, GG's Jack.
920.
29069. 29069, quite far off. That's a good level though. 2970, 2980. That's a spot I wanted to short originally before this.
Oh yeah, news in 1 minute. What was it at? 8:15.
Oh god, where have I put financial juice? I've got the Euro Millions open all over my screen.
ECB interest rate, got it.
I thought that was at 3:30. Sorry, 1:30, which is 8:30 for you and 7:30 for Matt.
It's crazy. Multi times then.
Yeah, I need to get like clocks on my wall of different.
Oh,
just
that'd
put it
be
behind me.
sick.
Yeah,
That would be so cool.
I feel like a proper trader then.
Yeah. Wait, I wonder. I'm looking at my camera now. I wonder if I have room to do that somewhere.
Yeah, like just above your head.
Yeah. I don't know. I have to think about that. That's a sick idea.
Would be cool, yeah. I mean, just Google, like, I think I got it from, have you seen the movie Ricky Stenicki?
No.
It's
I don't know what that is.
Chat, if you've seen it, I know it's very funny. It's John Cena plays this, like, drug addict alcoholic, and these blokes hire him to be their friend that they've been making up for years, and they blame everything on. And so they invite him to, like, a family thing, and he's like... And then they work in finance in some way, shape, or form, and they walk into their boss's office, and he's just got all these clocks on the wall. You should. It's such a good watch. It's so funny. Ricky Stenicki, yeah, both on. John Cena can be so funny when he's less good in the serious movies, I find.
I can't remember the last time I saw John Cena in a movie. Has he been in one recently?
Ricky Stenicki wasn't that long ago. Actually, it's 2024. Yeah.
I mean, it's not that long ago.
No.
I mean, I just don't pay attention to movies, I guess. Why am trying to catch a bid?
Yeah, so was NQ actually.
Kind of looks like it's starting to do it.
So close to 200 likes, and we have made it. Have we made it? Let's just confirm. I need to confer with my... Nope, no, we haven't.
Yeah, I got 189.
News did nothing. True. Still gearing up for the other news at in 15 minutes time, which is the jobless claims. That's always a fun one. Nasdaq is trying to catch a bid. It looks a bit rejecty to me.
Holding
196
long through sneaky jobless news. Hmm? Kidding.
Just hope it's good news. Well, to be fair, at the moment, even if it's bad news, it'll bid.
Yeah, we go up.
Yeah. 198. 2 more, chat. Come on.
You can do it. I have faith.
I went to ice skating here in Budapest last year, and John Cena was randomly there skating.
Whoa, did MNQ have that slap as well, or is that just...
Oh, yeah, that slap happened on here as well. That's 200
That was
likes, chat.
2 minutes after the news, though.
Right.
I took a long on YM right there because we wicked out the -2 and then had a large buyer show up at the close.
Oh, really? Okay.
I'd really like to see this just rip back into the range.
Chat, in honor of Joz being here, type Joz in the chat and you'll be entered into the giveaway.
It's funny. How about poll Liam?
Yeah. How's your long looking?
Lightning funded Tradeify.
Oh, I haven't pressed that one, have I? Oh, no.
No.
I was really worried. I pressed the wrong one there for a sec.
I'm just saying that's what he won. Still can't believe that. It's crazy.
Who won that?
Liam. His lightning funded Tradeify
yeah,
he's got on
did,
stream.
didn't he?
He won in a giveaway.
I blew my Apex account. I won in the giveaway.
F.
Actually, I think it's got like $50 left in it. Full portrait, bottom tick entry. I'm going to see, we've got 223 people watching. Let's see how many we can get this up to. I'm going to pull the trigger at 120, which is actually front-running the amount of viewers we have in here. So, do it quickly. First come, first serve basis, I'm afraid. As soon as I see 120 on that, I'm going to do it. Have to be quick. 110.
Damn, chat is flying.
Yeah. 4 more. That's it. Closing it. Are you ready? Drawing the winner.
You are.
Are we going to get a... Oh! Straight to TP. Nearly bottom tick stop there. GG's Todd Lewis. You have 2 minutes. Type in the chat the code that is on the other end of that link that you will be tagged in. And that will take you to the page. Wow, chat is still flying. Oh my god.
Chat might be on a delay.
Let's go, Todd. Come on. Way more. You don't get more than one entry for typing it multiple times. Yeah, thank you, Tex.
Claim it, bro.
Come on, Todd. Hey, he did it.
There he is.
He got it.
Nice, nice, nice.
GG's, Todd. GG's, chat. You made it. I'm proud of you. Okay, we can stop typing Joz now. It's fine. You got it. The code's been claimed. BK Hamster, I'm afraid that is a half an hour timeout for you, my friend.
Oh, sorry, I beat you to it.
Oh, did you beat me to it?
I did. Oh, I just got stopped out on YM too. Brutal.
Oh, did you? Oh, rough. Let's have a look. Check out that trade.
The markers on this thing suck. I was long from here with this buyer that showed up, got stopped out there.
Just at the prior low.
Yeah, tough.
Is this a repeat of last night, keeping to buy?
I guess so. If I get long and we just sorry, dump. I was gonna say pump. That would be awesome if it pumped.
Yeah, that would be awesome. Yeah, chat, drop a GG for Todd. I want to see that is a non-activation fee account, my friend. So I want you to pass that eval, let us know, and then I want you to get a payout on it.
Banging.
It is nice, yeah. And it's got one of the best payout policies from Lucid. I think it's just no minimum days. I think it's just a 40% consistency. Lucid is probably one of the best prop firms to start out with, to be fair. If you're sort of fairly new to the trading space, haven't taken a payout yet, start with Lucid. Easiest to understand. 40% off code TBM.
Nice.
Lucid Flex. Oh, what's the Lucid Pro one? Is that the Oh, cheers, man. Speak me to it.
Yeah, I got you. I have all the websites on standby.
Do you? I'm like typing them out every time. I hate to think what website I've sent someone to with a misspell.
Oof. All right, as a heads up, I got roughly 10 more minutes and I gotta bounce.
Yeah, no worries, man. We'll carry on. You try and get one more trade in your honor.
Don't rush it. Don't, especially on a funded account, brother.
No,
trade
just
funded.
Just for you, 5 minis, okay?
Whoa.
What session is your favorite to trade, Jamie? I really do enjoy London, actually. It wasn't my go-to previously, but I've been really liking it. And then obviously New York Open as well. Anything after that, I struggle. I think it's also because it's late in the day for me and I do get a bit knackered at that time. How do you find trading in the evening, Joz, actually? Do you not find you're really tired by the time you hit the stream?
Oh, dude, I'm exhausted.
Yeah.
I'm like wiped. That's part of why I'm burning the boats.
Yeah.
You asking about like how I like trading Globex specifically? Like just how that is? It's been interesting. It's definitely it's not my go-to, I'll be honest. But I'm getting used to it. It's a huge adjustment. I also didn't realize that it like picks up as the night goes on. Unless it's like a Sunday open and there's like weekend news that's got us moving, like the first 2 hours is just abysmally slow. Yeah. And then from Tokyo Open onwards, it kind of starts to pick up. So that's been like a learning curve and adjustment for sure, is like just understanding that first 2 hours, I probably like it's very reasonable to not take a trade at all. And just let everything like figure itself out, which is hard on stream because like you're on stream, you want to trade, right? So that's kind of where I'm struggling.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah, do you notice a difference like when the Tokyo opens and obviously Hong Kong opens at a different time? Do you notice volume coming in for both of those?
I don't know which one opens at. I know Tokyo opens at 8 p.m. my time, 8 p.m. Eastern.
Yeah.
I don't know when Hong Kong opens. I definitely noticed the 8 p.m. open for sure. That one's extremely visible.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's interesting because you can't actually see the London Open that much. I mean, the overall movements are more, but volume doesn't really pick up. I notice. That's obviously before my stream time anyway, but I do still look at it.
Coulda, woulda, shoulda taken the YM short, huh? Just straight puking.
It's a shame. I really wanted to see more of a bid up from that level.
Same. I was invested.
Yeah, that would have been a monster trade.
This order flow, though, is... I think this is easier to read. At least down here it has been. Came into it originally. I don't know if you can see my screen, but
let me just
came into... Let me know when you're on it.
Yeah, I'm on it now, yeah.
Okay. Came into this level, rolling off of VWAP, and my original reason for getting long, I think, is still super valid. Had these lows come in, some sellers, and then had buyers start showing up. At that point, look for longs when you see the buyers show up at a level of interest, at an area where you expect buyers to show up. Just confirms your theory. Got an attempt to pump out of it. Obviously, it failed. And then as we retraded into the level, a fat seller shows up. Like, that is skill issue on my part to not get short. But fat seller shows up, and then that seller keeps getting paid as price moves lower. Like, these two attempts to retrade back above this low that failed should have been my signal. Look short. The seller is getting paid out of volume, get short, and like go target whatever the next volume level is, or this low, for example, which we just swept.
Yeah, that's interesting. What time frame is that on? 30 minute.
This is my 30, yeah. I just alternate between the 30 and the 1. That's it.
Oh, nice.
Or 31 and then like a volume chart. I didn't pull up a volume chart for YM yet.
Yeah, what's that look like, actually?
Let's see. It's probably gonna have to be like super, super low. Like, I'm talking like 4 volume, 5 volume maybe. Yeah.
Is that 5 volume?
This is 5 volume.
Oh my god, that looks slower than the 22 range on Nasdaq.
Slower, or like, you mean like more dialed in?
Less candles. As in, yeah, more dialed in, I guess.
It's pretty noisy, but I like the volume charts because you can see like exactly what's happening, almost like tick by tick, like price by price.
Yeah, that's what I use them for as well.
You use volumes or range?
I use range, but because on NQ the 22 range is such a small range now, it kind of gives the same impression, and it gives a better idea of delta because the volume chart doesn't give a good idea of delta at all in my experience.
Yeah, like cumulative delta, right?
Cumulative delta, yeah.
Yeah, volume's probably not going to show it. I think the range chart is probably the best for showing cumulative delta because it just filters price, that's it. So you can see within what price, what deltas you have.
Yeah, and then you can mark out levels where, okay, seller stepped up here, and you can sort of think, are they going to do that again, the next move up? That's what I like to use it for anyway.
I need to adjust these now so they actually show. Hold on.
That is interesting how
live chart
the way that
setup.
YM moves.
I mean, judging off of today, I don't know. Maybe I'm just gonna trade it. Maybe I'm just gonna go full boomer, and then y'all can roast me.
You'll be grey in a week.
Yeah. Oof, I could throw a stray. I could throw an absolute bang out there, but I'm not going to.
Go for it. Is it targeting me or someone else?
No, that's someone else. I'm not gonna do it though.
Oh, Luke, Pro you can pass in one day, but has consistency and funded. So yeah, that's the one I thought it was.
Wait, did I adjust
Minus
this volume?
Punisher.
We have news in a minute and a half, by the way.
We do. Full port? Question mark.
I'm gonna leave that decision up to you.
Did you show him my 10,000 volume? I didn't. This one of my viewers, who was it? Artilus. Yeah, he uses a chart which is the 10,000 volume chart. So
nice. I like it.
So it's if I have to switch it back to my screen, I think. This is what Artilus uses, and you'll see every grey sort of vertical box. That's an overnight session, and it consists of like what, 10 candles.
Artilus, did you make that, or is that from Gary's TPH? Because I know Gary uses something similar. He either uses volume or 10,000 tick.
This isn't the one I don't think he uses. I just literally go on chart settings and set it to 10,000.
Oh, okay. Got it.
This is basically a replica of the 22 range, just 10,000.
Got it. That's pretty
But
cool.
I didn't realize people. I thought I see more commonly traders like zooming in, like the 1 second chart, the 5 range chart, than I do see them zooming out. It's good to see though. Zooming out will give you a lot more information.
I agree.
We're breaking out of that consolidation zone you were talking about.
Oh yeah, let me switch back to NQ in 1 second. I just need to add, like doing live chart setup here. My bad.
Yeah.
Why will it not let me add this? What am I? Oh, because it's added. Jesus. Get it together. Okay, there we go. That's what I wanted to add. I wanted to have 1 minute.
I love that.
Okay, so that's all there. All right, let me go back to my Lord and Savior M&Q. Yeah,
Okay.
like a little consolidation. Like the thing with Nasdaq though is it overshoots and undershoots.
Yeah.
Like it's just such a thin book. So I had that volume at 88. Did we react at all to it or no? Kind of. That's where we originally licked out of.
Yeah.
15-point bounce and then back down.
That was from
still going.
I don't know what that was from. That was after news. News came out, by the way, and literally did nothing. I was
We have
fully expecting jobless to do a hell of a lot more than
Same.
that. And it was rubbish news. This is it's a jobless. No, sorry, it's good news. Forecast was 210. Previous was 208k. We came in 187. And then you've got less of a continued jobless claim benefit, but this month's one. Nothing happened.
Nothing. Calm in the markets for now.
Yeah. We've got one tiny half a point gap on the 22 range, and that's about it. Good news is bad right now. Interest higher for longer. Yeah. Kind of. People pay too much attention to FOMC interest rates, I think, in my opinion, in the markets. It moves it too much. It shouldn't impact it as much as it does.
Why do you think it shouldn't impact it?
Because it's like a cheap way of looking at overall. How do I put this? It's like they do the interest rates based on the news outlook of like jobless, like non-farm payroll, like CPI, PPI, all of this other news. They do it based on how the economy is looking, based on that news. And so
on their projection of it,
so it's like a projection of that news. So realistically, you should already know what the FOMC is going to be because you've seen the news come out already. So the news that drives the FOMC should drive the market more than the FOMC interest rate itself.
I see. Seriously, yeah, you're saying people place too much weight on FOMC, pay more attention to like the actual numbers coming out?
Yeah, I think that should be how it's done.
I get that. I think people pay attention to FOMC because it's up to interpretation. Like, what if the FOMC committee decides to not interpret it the way you're interpreting it?
Yeah.
They make the decision.
That's why it's like the cheap way of doing it, isn't it? It's like, I don't know if this is good or bad. Let's wait and see what they think. Oh, they think it's bad. Okay.
Okay, I think it's bad.
Yeah, no, I think it's bad.
All right, YM's kind of tanking. I got to get going, dude. I have to.
Yeah, no worries, man.
Work clothes on. I got to go probably make another coffee so I don't just turn into full zombie today.
Of course, yeah. It's been a pleasure. Chat, everyone drop a GG's for Jaws joining me.
Dropping GG's for myself.
Absolutely, yeah. Do it.
GG's, guys. Yeah, thank you for having me on, dude. M. Brown, which platform? Jamie's or mine before I go?
Mine's Sierra Chart, M. Brown. Yours is... oh, God, I forgot what it's called now. What's it called?
Motive Wave.
Motive Wave, that's it.
Well, now he'll have the answer.
Yeah, Matt will have the answer.
Yeah, man. Thanks again for having me on. We'll have to do this again.
Absolutely. I'll join yours next time.
Join mine? Okay. Fair trade, fair trade. I was going to say, I don't know when I'll be able to do this again because I didn't sleep, basically.
No, absolutely. I'll sacrifice my sleep next time.
Sleep score is 46.
Oof.
That's tough. That's brutal.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, it'd be fun. Hop on my stream. Hop on all the other ones. Gotta figure stuff out with Liam. And yo, you want to hop on Ria's stream?
Shall we? Let's not tell us. Let's not tell us. Just invite ourselves.
Exactly. All right,
God,
man.
that would be an early one for you.
How do I How do I make a clean exit out of this without messing up cameras?
I think what I'll do, I'll just turn it off on here on OBS. If to be fair, if you just dip out the VDM, that should, because it's all set up on my OBS where it'll just cut it off.
Okay, so if I just hang up video.
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Peace. There you go. Did it. Oh, it's in the Discord. Yeah. Nice one.
Oh wait, can they not hear me?
I just unmuted Discord. Now they can.
Okay, nice. I was gonna say, have a good one. Trade safe. Be smart. Be patient. You know, the usual. Enjoy the rest of the stream. Have a good day.
Cheers. See you later.
All right, I'll talk to you.
See you in a bit. Nice one. What do you all think of that? First collab on the stream. I think it went well. No major mess ups as far as I'm aware. Here come another OBS crash moment. No, I'm being very careful today. Very, very careful. Right, chat, let's do a quick vibe check. I know I didn't get a chance to do this. How's everybody doing on the session? Are we green? Are we red? Are we unhappy? Are we happy? Are we sitting on our hands? Waiting for the New York Open? What are we thinking? Whilst you think about that answer and type it in the chat, I'm going to pull up today's Kinda Hard Golf. Par 31. Green, flat for now. 350 up so far. GG's, GG's. Green and happy, probably done for the day. I love an early finish. I don't love that shot though. Green, Klein. Waiting for trade to come to me. Good attitude. Okay. Green, 5 apex past, 5 half past, waiting. Oh, GG's, Matt. Catch opportunities for Matt. He's killing it at the moment. How are you looking on that payout from, you passed one yesterday as well, didn't you? Right. Do I want to go from here or do I think? No! Getting that well on your way to a payout, yeah? See us make money in the stream. Oh my god! I think I'm cooked. Oh, you are joking. Can that... Almost did it slip. I might not even get par today. Okay, whoever's the market maker of Kinda Hard Golf is not on my team. GG's name. I'll congratulate you on your trading performance, but if you beat me in Kinda Hard Golf, we're throwing hands. I'm not giving the duck the satisfaction. It's Yuri. Yeah, probably right about that. I'm not going to make par. I'm not going to make par. I'm 1 under par already. This is not going in the Discord. Chat, we're not telling anyone about that. Don't tell Tex. It's probably here, actually. Slapping my knee over here. I love it. Every time I open Kinda Hard Golf, I lose like 30 viewers. We are looking for trades, don't worry. Made 350 times 3, 50k, Tradeify daily funded on a short earlier today. Looking for another trade for a bigger payout. GG. Nice to see, Ghostly. Really good to see. I hit 2 DLLs earlier. It happens. I would say sorry to hear, but to be fair, I don't think DLLs are that bad of a thing. They happen. Doesn't mean you can't take a payout after a DLL. Doesn't mean you can't pass them and get them up. You'll get them up, I have faith. You're slapping your knee over here. Yeah, oh, I think I've read that twice, but... Oh, human mind, what do you want? Sellers are finally taking over. Hope we can break 28,500. Oh, that's quite an ambitious target to the downside. Imagine I held that short. That would have been another 300 pointer there. Then another. I don't think I've done that before. My comments are so good I can read them twice. My comments are so good I can read them twice. I was quite proud of that personally. Morning, Jamie. How's your session going? It's going very well. Oh, I need to get rid of that actually. Let's just delete that for now. I passed the Tradeify 50k account this morning, which was plus 350. I am now up 920 in an Apex funded, which is very nice. I had I had Joz on this morning, which is good fun. He was trading a bit of the old YM. Really following in the old man footsteps. Yeah, good morning so far. Really good morning. And we had Fred come in clutch for another one, which is this one here. You remember coffee and watermelon? It matches. You need to make iced coffee. What, watermelon flavored iced coffee? Is that what you're asking me to make? Killing it, bro. Cheers, man. I want you all to be killing it as well. That'd make me the happiest. Yuri, we'll talk about it. Honest question. Why you trade with Apex when they are clearly unethical and sketchy? Because they're not clearly unethical and sketchy, Alonso. If you have had a payout decline from Apex any time in the last 2 years, it was for a genuine reason that I will stand by them for. I've never had a payout decline from Apex when I trade properly. They are cheap. They are good. They pay you out. Their rules can be tricky to follow. So can every prop firm's rules be tricky to follow. They're a good prop firm to use. If you don't like them, use Lucid. Use Tradeify. It's okay not to like them, but to call them unethical and sketchy is just wrong. Plus 20 points and that delta divergence into 80. Yeah, oh no, someone didn't read the rules. Exactly. It's a prop firm. So bid up. You shorted it. Down into 80 from 800. Oh, I see. That, yeah. Nice. Apex is pretty straightforward. I agree. They can be challenging, sure. Every prop firm's challenging. Payouts on Apex are slow. Yeah, they are. That's one thing I'll say. They approved them very quickly now, but I have one that's still pending after 2 days. I like them, but they are slow. Yeah. Is it approved, though, compounding ticks? It should have been approved already. Yeah, mine took 3 weeks to hit my bank from the day I requested it. That's the only thing I will say about them. That's true. Unethical, though. Huh. Rules? I'm entitled to get a payout. What is a dark blue box in your chart? Oh, this is the level that me and Joz were talking about. It was consolidation from the overnight a few times ago. We've already broken through it, so I'll take it off now. I will talk about this box that I'm about to draw, though, which is right about here. Luckily, it didn't get too big. It's only 60 points, give or take. This is the 7 a.m. 15-minute range that I always mark out every single day going into the New York session. I look for a breakout, this case to the downside, come back up, retest the bottom of the zone or the midpoint, either or, whichever one's showing confirmation. Whoops. And I look for short 50 points in the to the downside. Read my other message if you want. Okay, let's have a look. I don't see another message. Not seeing another message from you. Let me click on your channel activity. What other message? That's the only one you've sent. You've sent sellers are finally taking over. Hope you can break 2850. Then that one. Then your third one. What other message? Copy pasted it. All right, okay. Sure. I don't see any message, but fine. Why 7 a.m. box? I'm going to be honest with you, User. I don't know. I don't know what is significant about it. I found some guy on the internet talking about it. I tested it. It worked. So I added it into my system. And it works. Just look for confirmation first. I passed Tradeify today. I did. Did indeed. What does confirmation look like to you? 22 range is what I use to look for confirmation on. Also, you can use the 5 minute and 1 minute. Look, that's a wick there. That's a 50% retrace of the wick. I think we're going to go higher. Break that high, yeah, but until we break this, it's not confirmed. So if we come up, break 805 here, like, you know, crack that by more than like 1 tick. I mean, like, you know, give it a couple points at least. And then come back in, retest maybe 800. I would get long at 800, stop at the lows. That's quite a bit of risk though, so I'd have to sort of think about it. That's what confirmation would look like to me in this example. But like, you know, my original trade here, you see the same kind of thing. So, you know, we're on 22 range. Look, we're putting in lower lows, lower highs, and then suddenly, oh, we make a higher high, and then a higher low, and then, oh, okay, I'll get in off that retest there. We did break that low there, but I held it, and then just shut up. Don't know your situation taking consistent payouts from Apex, but they ban a lot of people that do so. No, they don't. They ban a lot of people who break the rules. Have you been banned from Apex yourself? If you haven't been, then you're reading something from Reddit that just is false. A lot of people like to complain about it. If you haven't been banned from Apex, then don't believe things you see online, because people will complain and they won't tell you the whole story. But if you check every prop firm, they've all got some kind of reputation of blocking payouts, and I stand with them for that, apart from a few. There are a few scammy ones out there. I'm not going to name them, but they exist, okay? But Apex is not one of them. Brother, how could I break rules if I was never denied a payout? Well, then you haven't broken rules. It is true. Okay. I don't believe you. Trading is really hard, and people will try to find any reason to why they can't make it. Yeah, I agree. You're doing fine with other props for not complaining. Well, GG's then. I've never been denied a payout from Apex. I've made quite a few payouts now. That's a good point, Tex. Yeah. You're trying to catch me out. You're telling me, you know, why am I trading Apex when they're a scammy prop firm? When they're just not. I've never been denied a payout. They're good. Oh god, what we started. It's always the blame game. Yeah. Yeah, good. Look, if you've ever been denied a payout from a company, don't turn around and straight to the internet and say, why was I denied? This prop firm's a scam. Check the email they sent you, because they'd have given you a reason. If it's Apex, if it's Lucid, Tradeify. Lucid and Tradeify, I think Tradeify guarantees no payout denial, so it's basically impossible to not get that payout. But obviously you can get banned if you break the rules. But if you've ever been denied a payout, don't just turn to a forum. Read the email they sent you. Check what rule it is. Like Apex, I broke the MAE rule once. They didn't deny me a payout because they sent me an email the moment I did it. And I was like, oh, okay, I didn't even know that existed. My mistake. And then I stopped doing it from that point onwards. And then that same account, I pulled a payout out of it. You know, they let you know in advance if you break a rule, because it is a rule. It doesn't exist anymore in the new system. But if you've got a legacy Apex account, the MAE rule is I think you can't risk more than, what was it, 50% of your total drawdown in a single day? Or something. You can't go into more than half your account's drawdown. It's basically a daily loss limit. Think of it like that. And they let me know when I did it. They didn't deny the payout because after that I fixed it. But that's not to say you should trust every prop firm out there. There are, you know, use your common sense. There are going to be some that will deny your payouts. Just if you find it here discussed and recommended on TBM, you're safe. They're proper. Apex, Tradeify, Lucid, and Take Profit Trader. All of them, they're good. Because we all want payouts. Why would we trade these accounts if we... Comes in here and gaslights log. Get out of here. Yep, MAE is usually why they would be declined. Yeah, it's because it's not an obvious rule. Apex were the only one to have it. That's why they did it. That's why they. A lot of people didn't like it. And to be fair, it wasn't obvious, but it existed. And if you hadn't read the rules, it was clearly printed on the rules. It's just not one that you assume was there. But they did, as I said, they let me know before even declining a payout, before I'd even requested one. Apex brought back the legacy. Now is the time to load up. Yeah, if you like the legacy, yeah, do it. 100%. If you don't know what prop firm to use, no, as I said, I have to type this silly thing out, but go to this website. That will tell you what I'm trading, which today is a Tradeify. I'm now on my Apex, but that's because I've passed my Tradeify account and I can't activate it yet, so I had to find another account. The punishment of an MAE violation wasn't nice, though. You had to trade till max payout available with the end of day accounts. That's gone. The punishment for MAE was a declined payout if you requested it and you'd broken it. But on Apex's website, I'm not going to put it up on mine. Actually, is there a way I can do it? And let me have a look. So, is there a way I can do this without... Look, so if you go onto Apex's website, okay, I'm going to try and cut off because there's sensitive information on the other side. On your account breakdown, you go onto the account page and you click on your PA account and it will tell you the rules that are part of it. So there's no... If you break any of these, then they'll decline the payout. And you can monitor it at the end of every session and you can see it. And they should let you know as well if you have actually broken a proper rule. Yeah, exactly. What Tech said. If you don't like prop firms, chuck $50,000 into your own personal brokerage account. Which would you prefer? I'd prefer the prop firm route. Pay $100 and get an account that I can request thousands from every week? Yes, please. Antaj, I think you're confusing end of day with legacy from trailing. Trailing and the legacy accounts are not the same. Legacy had a trailing drawdown, yes, but the trailing drawdown accounts use the new system still, so you still get instant approval payouts, and the MAE is also gone from that, I believe. But the legacy and the trailing, not the same. Good vibes only up in here. Whoop whoop. That was weird. Let me do that again. 250k legacy is fun. YOLO all the way. Hell yeah, man. Those props literally give you free money. They could kick me in the balls and I'd be fine with it. Trading would not be possible without them. Yeah, exactly. Look, if you're going through accounts like hell, like just, you know, one after the other, and you're not making any progress, move over to simulation for a bit, you know? At the end of the day, the prop firm doesn't put you in a position where you have to give them money or else. They don't even have subscriptions. Pick the one you want, go with it. Lucid and Tradeify, very, very similar. I'm with Tradeify, but Lucid is a lot more popular, I've got to say. I gave away a Lucid 50k per account to Todd, if he's still here. I think it was Todd, wasn't it? And I want him to get a payout on that account. And to anyone else who wins an account on here. In the end, it's their money. They're allowed to make you jump through hoops to get it. Yeah, of course. It's a business. They're running a business. This is very similar to Matt's rant yesterday. He did a 25-minute rant at the beginning of his stream. It's worth listening to because it's true. Prop firms are a business. Right now, the consumer gets the better end of it, so you really shouldn't be complaining. You know, you pay $100, you get a 50k account. Within 2 weeks, you can get a $2,000 payout. The rest is down to you. Oh, do you know if Legacy allow eval hedging? No, I don't think they do. Hedging's never really allowed. Because it's hedging in the prop firm space is not the same as hedging in like an investment bank. Hedging in the prop firm space is just going the same contract size, long and short in the same direction, and whichever one hits TP, that's the one you keep. And I wouldn't even recommend hedging because it's not a good system to use because more often than not, not more often than not, but you will encounter it quite frequently where both trades will be stopped out. You know? So don't bother. Don't hedge. Learn how to trade. Sup, Fluffy? How you doing? Oh, old Apex was allowed. Oh, fair. I didn't even know that. If it was allowed on old Apex, then yeah, Legacy should allow it as well. Talk about rules, someone asked question directly in defiance of the rules. Read the rules of the prop firm beforehand. 9 times out of 10, it's very simple. Tradeify and Lucid, very simple. 40% consistency. You know, Lucid allows bots to run in it. I don't think Tradeify does. GG's Fluffy, cheers. When was it allowed on Apex? Yeah, I'm kind of taking his word for it. I don't remember this ever being allowed on Apex. Just do it, see what happens, best way. Yeah, and don't complain if it's not the outcome you don't want. Then you can come back in here and blame them. Yeah. That's what I'm here for. Here, it's in the queue already working on a Lucid Pro. Oh, I see. Okay. So you've got a few. You got a little garage building there, Todd. Nice one. Get some copy trading going if you like it. This market is slow. What are we doing here? It's diddling in the middle or at the lows. I haven't done today's Wordle. Should we see how many viewers we lose whilst we do Wordle? Charts are still going to remain open on my screen. I'm still looking for trades if I get any. If I see any. This will be a huge gap in 30 minutes. Holy. Do you think? A gap? Do you mean a bid? I couldn't see this. I very rarely see a gap at the open. I've done eval hedging quite a bit in my early days, and now I look back and don't even know what I expected to happen after I got the PA LMAO. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Everyone puts so much pressure on passing an eval. Do you think when you get funded, you get a payout straight away? No, you don't. You then trade that and you keep the balance that you make in there. If you've never gotten a payout before, don't change your trading style from one to the other. Oh, what a start! Is that? Why do I feel like double T? I'm not looking at chat. Yesterday, someone gave me the word, and it ruined it for me. I'm gonna get it today. That's a word. Okay. It can't have two O's, which is good. Oh. No, it can't be there. No, that can't be it. So it's BR. Oh, it could be. Or thigh. What? Why do I feel like this? Okay, let's go with Oh, hang on. Okay, boat on broth. Broth I can't do anymore because the T's there. A board. It's too choppy. I'm not going to do that. Too choppy. This is what you do when it's choppy, chat. Damn, I was really confident in Frost. No. I've looked now. I've looked. For heaven's sake, I'm closing chat next time. I wish I could. Yeah, cringe. I'm literally next time. I'm actually just gonna close chat down. You need the chat. Damn it. Cheater, beans on toast eater. Play a free one where there is no daily. Oh, I could pick a random day. I think I have to pay for that though. Can I go back and do a random day? How do I do it? Admire puzzle. Wordle archive. Yeah, I have to subscribe to it. Connections is fun. I suck at it though. What's it called, Proton? That'd be good. Give us a Windows desktop tour. I got on there. Games, launchers, trading platforms, streaming stuff. Pretty straightforward. Don't know what that error message was though. We're going to ignore that. Last time I pressed OK with an error message, it cut out the stream. Chat, let's see if we can get to 250 likes today. What's Matt said about Chat, I'm gonna go for an unreal goal. I really don't think you're gonna get this, but I'm just gonna throw it out there. 300 likes on this stream and I'll give away an Apex. Any account, any Apex account. Friends slop enjoyer, what's that? What's that you? Oh, just the wrong button first. There aren't even that many people alive. Where's Tackard? Oh yeah, I need the drill sergeant. There you go. The text seemed to work a treat as well. Oh, hang on. What's that? Let's do, once again, you guys seem to love Comic Sans, so we're going to do Comic Sans. There I should probably do this on another screen first and then bring it over. There you go, looks good. We have more likes than viewers. I'm greedy, what can I say, Andrew? Someone tell Fred to like the stream. Oh, I did it long ago. I will respect Fred's decision not to like it because of that TP earlier. And that's like 2 days in a row, so. Is chat not updating for anyone else? Just try refreshing your page, man. That should fix it. How are we doing on likes, chat? What an open this is going to be. Yeah, tell me again, yeah. This is going to be a crazy bid. Well, Matt struggled to get 300 yesterday with like 650 people watching. Let's see if I can do it with less than 300 people watching. I know it doesn't make sense, but you get people coming through and then leaving. So it's actually very doable. Today will be interesting. 250 is realistic, Ginger, but if we were realistic, we wouldn't be traders. I'll tell you what, I'll do you a favour. 280. 280 and I'll do it. Oh, Friendslop are lowish quality games with like Repo, Mecha. Oh, I love those games where the majority of the fun comes from the interaction with your friends. Yeah, yeah. Me and Danny were talking about it. We should do like a Mecha Chameleon stream one time when it's just like, you know, hilarious. At least we're away from VWAP. Remember the VWAP opens we had for a while? Oh yeah, that was, they are brutal. The VWAP opens, really brutal. Oh, we got some liquidity down here. That's quite a big order as well. Let's have a look. What is it? 800. Ooh, that is quite big for a thingy. Friday low? That's long gone, my friend. Long gone. That was all the way up here. Actually, that perfectly coincides. I didn't even notice. That basically coincides with my range that I like to take. So that could be interesting. That could be very interesting. Let me adjust this. Let's go with that. Oh, wrong chart. What are you looking at? Is that a real order? Where was it at? Did we fill it? I thought it was at like 700 or something. 680. It's called spoofing when they do that. I think technically it's illegal. It's just impossible to sort of regulate. Oh, they moved it. There we go. Yeah, watch that just not get filled. 800 lot. 28710. What about it? There. Why? We're so close to that prior low. I think we just flush it, no? Especially with that liquidity lower. It's a spoof, they keep moving it. Yeah, I agree. But they'll move it up now because we're bidding. I took my overnight indicators off so that when I zoomed out on the 15-minute, I thought that previous low was yesterday for some reason. Oh, this one. Yeah, that's why you're going to have these boxes. Every box is an overnight, so that means every black area is a New York session. So I know that's one day, that's the next day, that's the previous day, you know, so forth. We once talked about on stream about how if you help to catch a spoofer, you can get a fat bag. Should we find out who it is? How do we do that? I swear there is actually a way you can find out, like you can route that order from somewhere. Because it's public information technically. Need to know someone at the exchange. Oh, do you? Fred. We know Fred. Is that way of displaying orders as Sierra charts or anything? No, it's not, of course. You can put this on your chart. This is an indicator, but it's just basically taking all the orders that are appearing on the DOM. Now, if I scroll down to 670, you'll see that on here. It's taking that and putting it on the chart, and this is level 2 data. which you have to pay for. If you're with Apex, you can pay for it through them. If not, then you have to pay for a data feed that provides it. You know, like Denali on Sierra Chart, for instance, or Tradeify provides it. Really want to take long, but it can buck waiting. Yeah. Not after that kind of extension. It's not showing enough resistance. You know, we resisted more here. Imagine you took that long. You know, back into here, you'd have taken it maybe to that prior high, missed, stopped out aggressively. Slippage. Especially this close to the New York Open, it's better to just cool. Right, chat, where are we at? Looking for likes. I want 280, and I'll give away an Apex account. This will be the second giveaway on this stream. You're lucky. Sorry, I keep on knocking the microphone. 30 more likes, we can do it. I entirely agree. Get your grandma in here. Get your mother in here. How you doing? Why don't I see it? Says Hans Müller. Describe it to me. Do you not see this, or do you not see it on the DOM? If you don't see it on the DOM, click on the DOM, and then you go to chart settings. Maximum market depth levels. Just increase that. Mine's at 500 right now, so I can see 500 ticks. Why don't I see it? Oh, they added to that. Then we got 700 with 365. And we got 70 with... Oh, no, that hasn't changed. 25 more, chat. You've basically got 10 minutes to do it, because I'm not going to be ripping it that late. 10 minutes, 25 more likes. Let's do it. Hey, Grandma, there's this guy named Jamie. Introduce me. Welcome, Sam Olivia. I've put my P&L. You can see the P&L of this account in the grey box, and just below that I've put the P&L of the 2 accounts I'm on. Look on the top right, you'll see if you like the stream, I can put you in a giveaway for an Apex account. Sounds like a fresh hookup. Spoofing bait, I know. And this is the problem. When you've got those kind of orders below, they're pulling it, see? You know the market's going to be gravitating downwards, which means on the 22 range, you're going to get confirmation. Like, that was technically confirmation, and you got a small bid here. Those orders below, just going to get swept. Man, if this continues, definitely a little capitulation. Do you mean catapultation? Capitulation. Let me just make sure I'm not being an idiot here. Oh, I see. I was thinking you were going to think it was going to bid all the way up. No, an act of surrendering, yielding, or ceasing to resist an opponent or demand. Tex, don't you triple dot me, man. Do you have Discord? Yeah, I do. Join, link in the description of this video. You'll see tbn.gg/discord. Join that Discord. You will see me on the right-hand side in all of the chats as Jamie T, brackets Amy, in the TBM YouTube streamers bit. Are we going to make it? I already gave one away today. I can just roll it over to tomorrow, no problem. But I want an ambitious like goal for it. 256. Capitulate. You don't feel like doing all this PA today? Take a day off. Nothing wrong with taking a day off in trading. I'm headed out. Yeah, GG's, Bingleworth. Things. It's tier 2 data for DOM orders. Yep. Did he ask again? We're 21 away now. 21 likes away from giving away an Apex account. We can do it. I believe. I'll give you another 5 minutes. Bot is ready. Bot, have you liked the stream? Can the bot like the stream? That'd be good. Shall I recap the session? What trades did I take? So this, on my Apex PA today, I took one trade. That was a 46-point winner. Very nice. It was off of here. Fred came in absolutely clutch. I'll see if I can find it for you. You can see it bidded up. Nice little reaction. Almost stopped me out. Came up. Chop, 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 chop. Fred came into play. To the moon. Nice one. Tradeify, I took 2 trades. Let's see if I can remember what they were. So the first one was based off of IB. I think I shorted it here. And that lost 160 or something. And then the next one was a rejection of VWAP, come back into 95 and a short, and that was down into like 29.070, which is enough for a pass. Juicy. 3 trades this session, 2 winners, 1 loser. Jamie, how do you get these big trades? The only way to do it is to trade in the direction that the market's already moving. Every single time. 15-minute, look at this, we're trending downwards. I took a short up here because I predicted we were going to continue that direction. This was a bid off a prior low that we were rejecting, so I thought I'd give it a shot with break even, and I just let it run. The only way you can catch big trades is trade in a direction that the market has room to move into, and it's already moving into, ideally. Sometimes you can do it against the way it's moving. And then just hold it. I had so many opportunities and so many reasons to get out of this trade early, and I didn't do it. That's how I caught a 200-pointer on Monday. I held it far longer than you should do. You have to risk more to make bigger trades. Because your risk doesn't disappear when you go break even. You're now risking every dollar that you're in the money. So I was break even and I was up like 150 points, which is $3,000. I was risking that $3,000 to make the last 1,000 at that point. And I was okay with that because I thought we had room to the upside. Your risk to reward doesn't always have to be perfect. You have to convict. 13 more likes, guys. You've got 2 minutes. 13 more likes. Anyone who hasn't liked the stream, and I'll draw a giveaway for an Apex account. Let's do it. $280, Tacky, don't you? Oh. You can tell it's approaching the end. They keep on knocking this thing. Oh, 9 more. 9 more. 9 more and I give away an account. I wanted 300. I was kind and I dropped it to 280. 9 more likes and I give away an account. You got another minute and a half. I can't like again, chat. I know. Someone else has to do it for me. 7 more. Keep it going. Keep it going. I see reverse at market open. I agree. 3 more. Are we going to get it? Come on. 280, baby. Let's go. Let's go. LFG in the chat, please. Keep them coming. Keep them coming. You can't enter more than once. Type it once, leave it. Anyone who even thinks about spamming will have their messages removed. I mean, obviously you can think about spamming, just don't do it. You can get higher than this. We're only at 73. If you haven't already, enter the giveaway. LFG in the chat. Giving away an Apex account. Any size. Trailing or end of day. Pick end of day. It's better. You can go all the way up to, I think, the 250k, so the legacy. Chat, at exactly 14:26:30. I'm ending this, okay? So you haven't got long. You've got less than a minute to enter into this giveaway. You think we can stop it now? People are like, if I can't spam, I don't want it. Okay, I lied. You got 3 seconds. You can't even get to 100. Can't get to 100? No? Okay, that's fine. No one wants a free account? Well, 94 if you do. I'm going to close it there. You guys have been loyal. Let's do it. Draw a winner. Oh. Hey! Who's got it? Art Brown. Yeah. Liam effing great, yeah. Yeah, if you get timed out, you won't be able to claim it. Come on, Art Brown. Show us how it's done. Claim it. Claim it, baby. app.tbm.gg/claim, or just click the link in that message that you were tagged in. Don't say hey. Go get the code. Put it in here. Oh, click on the link. Click on the link in the message that you were tagged in. You're messaged by Trades by Matt. Or you can see it on screen here. I'll redraw it if you do it. Come on, man. I'm going to give you to the end of the time. I'm not going to front run the redraw, but come on, show us how it's done. Oh, it's not looking good, chat. Not looking good. Oh, no. Oh, no. Redraw. Sorry, man. Trevor. Show Art how it's done. You did it. You just did it too late. Sorry, Art Brown. You did it too late. You had 2 minutes. Enter the next one. I can't be hanging around. Too late, Art Brown. Sorry, man. Trevor. GG, Trevor. Enjoy that new account. Get that to a payout. You can pick any Apex account, any size, end of day or trading. The only thing you can't do is choose the one with no activation fee, unfortunately. But any account, any size. Even the 250k if you like. All right, chat. I'm going to call it there. Art Brown, I know you typed it in chat, but you did it too late. I gave you 2 minutes to follow the link. I can't keep it there forever. There was a timer on the screen. Yes, you did. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. GG, guys. I hope you all had a really good session. I hope you really enjoyed Matt's stream. I wish you the best at the rest of the day. Matt will be on in just a moment. You'll be pushed straight to him. I'll put a link in chat just in case you don't. GG's, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.